channel. This is just Mike and this
Oh
just
my
Debbie.
gosh, it killed me.
What?
Just I don't know. I'm
What
just
is
trying to say
that?
something. Anyways, we're playing this game over here.
What does she look like? What does she
Silent Hill on Roblox.
What?
Join.
Silent Town. Oh, love.
What the
Why
heck?
don't we all play together?
Yeah, how you gonna let me join this game and it's dark? I can't even see.
How do you get light?
Where is everyone at?
We gotta find each other, that's why.
Hold on. Is Charles in there?
Well,
Is it a private server?
Yeah.
yeah, you gotta join to now. You have to join now. Yeah,
Join Marisa.
Nana, did you join?
yeah. Everybody's having a hard time joining you.
If you got a flashlight, look.
I'm trying to look for my flashlight.
Says
I'm
L.
scared.
Yeah, how do I do my flashlight now? Please tell me.
Down L.
Down L?
I'm not seeing it.
L down.
Anyway,
Down L.
what's gamer tag?
Nothing's coming up.
Well, I don't.
What the? How'd you press that?
Oh, it's joystick L. Sorry,
Oh,
not down L.
Oh, where are you,
okay.
Dad? It
I
looks
can't
like you're
even
in the
walk now.
garage.
I can't.
Oh my gosh!
I
Oh
cannot
my
walk.
gosh!
Wait,
the
hold on. You gotta
monster's
make sure
killing me.
that Charles and them can
Wait.
get on.
We're waiting for Charles then. What in the world? Y'all gonna have get me killed over here, man.
No, because it killed me. It's in my house. No, it's not.
Is it E Connell or just?
What the heck? Why am I by myself? I thought we were supposed to all be together.
That's what I thought.
We're supposed to find each other. We're supposed to find each other. I'm running around right now.
Man, I'm scared.
I don't like this game.
Okay, come find me.
That's why you're supposed to listen for the sound.
Because every time I take a step, it makes noise. Look at the vibration on my foot.
You have to get super close to them.
Marisa just died.
Damn.
You have to get super close to them in order for
Not me.
Okay.
Are we allowed to kill the monster?
Yeah. You can find bats in the house.
Okay, because I have a bat.
Alright, I got the lantern.
There's no C in it. It's just Connell.
We're not in there yet. The sun is rising. What does that mean?
What does that mean?
It's again.
Then we can run outside?
Oh my gosh, I can see the monster. It just died in front of me. Where is
Okay,
everyone?
hurry up and get out, Mike.
Well,
You were kicked from the experience
that's how
moderated
you run
message. Account
the
may be
monster.
at least 10 days old.
Where are
to
you
play
guys?
the game.
Why are you in the city? I'm not in the city.
what happened?
My account needs to be at least 10 days old in order to play that game. So like,
Did he just make his account?
Yeah. His count needs to be 10
Or
days
private
old.
Playing Dead Rails.
Goose, is that for a private server?
I don't know. That's
No,
what it tells
everyone's
me
in
when I try to join the mail. Huh?
Oh, they
What?
said.
Eddie was saying no. That's a part of the game.
Oh.
Well, let's find a different game now. Go to Fleet Facility.
Eek.
No, I'm gonna play Dead Rails.
Eek.
You guys want to do that? But I'm streaming on this. We can play Fleet Facility.
You're making me car sick.
My bad. Okay.
I just killed one.
I don't even know what I'm doing right now. The heck was
No,
that?
but you're like going around and around and around.
And I'm not playing this game anymore. There's no probably of that showed up after I killed one.
I think everybody can play but me.
Yeah.
So.
Is everybody in here? Econodim's in the same server?
And I don't even know who you guys
Why don't we
are.
play? You know what we should play?
Well, what's
The Bronx.
The Bronx.
No, what in the world? The Bronx? That's Grand Theft Auto,
I'm a
basically.
thug in the Bronx. I have a car. I have drip.
No, we
I
can
have
play
everything.
We have to be a gang and kill other gangs.
That's what me, Marcus, and Chance.
Well, I wanted to
Keenan
do
did.
the Fleet
let's
Facility.
Play Dead Rails.
Join Uncle then.
Should we play Dead
Okay.
Rails now that we have more people? Yeah, we should.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because this game.
The name is nobody. The name nobody.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's play Dead Rails.
Okay. Alright, let me turn off
We
the
have to
stream.
wait 10 days for Uncle Charles.
Oh, my character's not gonna
Yeah.
load in Dead Rails. Man.
Just pause it. Don't stop it. Just pause it.
podcast. All right, we're back on air. All right, we switched games. We're on Dead Rails Part 2. Check out my Samoan tattoo. All right, let's take a picture. Everybody, get in the picture. I'm gonna take a picture.
Who's that?
Everybody, get by me. I'm gonna do a photo for the thumbnail.
Look at Eddie is
Right here, ready. 1,
Wait, I'm
2,
not even in there.
Where's Myri?
3. Boom, got one
I
picture.
feel so left out.
Hold on, Myri's
My
coming in the
Uncle Charles
picture.
have a robot leg.
Hold
Hold
on.
on, babe. You're
What?
missing Myri.
All right, hold on.
There's Myri.
All right, you ready?
Oh, there's Myri in her emo
Hold on, I gotta get a good
Oh my gosh. I'll
thumbnail
go change
picture.
after the picture.
All right, right here. 1, 2,
Oh, Dad, your
3.
picture crooked.
Oh shoot! Hold on. Let me. I'm just trying to just take a picture over here.
Thugs.
One more time.
Who's that?
1, 2, 3.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't
Right
know
there.
who it is.
I took a picture. Everybody on top of each other's head.
Okay. Oh, that's Ikanu. What the heck? Never mind.
That's not your boyfriend. Oh, that's my boyfriend. No, it's not. That's your cousin.
You guys are dumb, man. So these girls are dumb.
I'm so fired.
Stupid,
I'm not
man. I
playing
swear,
this.
man. What am I doing playing Roblox with these crazy kids?
Put the phone down.
Damn, where we're
Okay,
going.
time to stop streaming.
Somebody
Yeah, you
take my
guys going
Okay, go.
overboard over here.
Is that what?
I need to stop this.
Make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And add more. There's only 4 players.
Let them know you stupid.
Let me-
Well, I was waiting for my It's taking too long to make your outfit.
Come
Mom said
on.
I was emo.
Do 8 players.
There's 8. Somebody made 8
Yeah,
already.
everybody jump in already. Go, jump, jump.
That's not even enough because that's only.
Well, that's what happens when you want to go change in the middle of when we're chilling.
Who's that guy?
I don't know.
He's trying to jump in here. Who's
Don't
that?
let him come in.
His name is Black Hole.
His name is Black Hole. Yeah, go jump in your black hole. Yeah. Sorry, let's go. I take that back. Talking about the basketball hoop. Yeah, let's go over here. Everybody go get your stuff now, okay?
Guys, I didn't join, guys.
That's
Huh?
what happened.
Yeah,
Guys.
Mari, why do we... Now we gotta start all over again, because Mari...
Guys.
Where were you? I saw you.
No, man, this
Guys.
girl.
Where'd everyone go?
Oh, Myri got left.
Well, that's what happens. Oh,
So we gotta do it again?
Yeah, you gotta get Myri.
that's what happens when she's worried about her outfit.
Because I said her emo outfit. Just go.
It's the opportunity to
No,
just
it's the
express-
beginning. We can start all over.
Start over because
Everybody's talking at the same time.
We already
Suddenly.
just got in this game.
How many you have over there?
Look,
She my trap
everybody got a
queen.
call.
Mike, how many you have over there?
How many?
Yeah.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of us here.
No. How many you got playing in your house?
Oh, 4.
Only 4 of you guys are playing?
Yeah.
There's 5 of us playing, so we needed to make it 9.
yeah.
9. Okay, let's everybody
I couldn't
back out.
have joined
Everybody
anyway.
back out.
Let's go back out. Dang, man. Mari,
This
look at this.
freaking Mari ruined it for everybody and just your fault.
Join the game.
You walked in the door. My trap queen.
Hey,
This is her fault. Everybody blame it on Myri. Say, "Ooh, Myri, you won the game."
hey.
Ooh.
You just called Ikanu your boyfriend. I don't want to hear
Do
it.
not bring this up again. I thought it was some random. I'm sorry. I was just trying to be stupid.
Mind you, Ikanu is like not even my age.
No, he's older than you.
No, he's not.
Okay, yeah. Listen,
No,
pay
he's not.
attention.
That's
Who's that guy? Why does that guy have a person face?
That's so weird. Look at that.
You are. What is that?
Oh, no.
No.
No, relax.
Okay, can someone do the room so we can
I'll
have 9
do it.
people?
Wait, I didn't even join.
I'll do it.
You have
Let's
to
not
stop.
leave everybody
No,
behind.
Okay, head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hold on. This
7.
is
Sorry,
missing.
missing
Mr.
2
Low,
people.
Uzi Vert took too long
9,
over
supposed
there.
to be total 9.
There's Ikanu. That's 8. There's Nurse. That's 9. Okay.
Okay, make 9 people. Watch out. These random folks are going to try to jump in.
This is all of our people. They're not random.
Everybody.
Okay, everybody jump inside.
Oh, there's more people jumping. Oh my
There,
gosh.
they're coming. They try to join our stuff.
That's just everyone. They got their own thing going on.
Yeah, okay. Okay, everybody. Get ready. We're
It's
about
so weird.
to
They
pass
look like
this game.
Legos. Is that why they made it like this?
Yeah,
Look like Legos.
To look like Lego people?
That's my
I think so.
It's a
Oh.
troll.
They look like rope. What is it called?
Carlo is a troll. Straight troll.
Minecraft.
Hey, Carlo, you're a troll, bro.
All right, what do you guys want to do now? Hey, what do you think we should do?
Get a gun.
All right, I don't got no money, but
Give
Oh,
me a
you got
gun.
$20.
okay. Let's see if I can buy a gun.
Yeah.
I'm going to give me a gun.
Should I get a handgun?
Yep. Look at my gun, Dad.
Dang, how'd you get a sawed-off shotgun?
Because I bought a starter pack, which means I spawn with a gun every
Okay, that's
single
you don't
game.
have enough money for that, babe.
That's 75.
Yeah.
Do I have enough for this gun?
Yeah.
Somebody get a coal and put it in here so we can go.
No, I'm saving my money. You guys buy
Where
the coal.
you getting your brand from? How you buy a
Babe, you only have
starter pack?
$5.
What?
Dad,
So I
you
only
need to
got
buy a starter
bullets.
pack.
Feel comfortable being around.
Where do I get that
people.
from?
It's at the beginning of the game.
Dang,
Oh,
it's
well.
too late now.
San Antonio.
Oh, someone need to buy a torch for our thing.
No, it's okay.
Babe, you only have $5,
Let me
babe.
go sell my gun so I can get the.
No, don't sell your gun. You just bought it. You're gonna get it for less than what you bought it for. I'll get it
Oh,
for
Bia's in the food again.
Oh, Minorista.
She just kept her in the
I'll buy
garage,
the next
man.
bag of
Why are we
cocaine.
putting the... What
If
is
anybody in this
needs
stream
to
is
go
looking
in
for a
the
cat, let
thing?
me know in the comments.
What the heck am I looking at right now? What the heck am I looking at?
Babe, what do you even have in your pack?
That's a Fortnite back bling.
Children.
Hey, man, where are you guys?
Hey,
I'm on the train.
E1 oofs.
hey, who bought a barbed wire?
The train, my train is going.
Why does Eddie have dreads?
Man, this 80
Why
and
are
stay
you
going
built like that?
down this train. So that boy crazy right now.
Hey, Mike, my train is going, bro.
What?
Wait,
He has
where's
dreads
Charles?
too.
Wait, you guys. Charles said his train is going.
Oh my gosh, where is Uncle Charles? Wait, that means someone here isn't supposed to be
No,
here.
he's in here.
Where is he?
He's in here. He is in here.
I'm
He's coming.
Wait, where are you
What are you running for?
I was on the train. I thought he was driving.
Oh my God.
There's somebody up ahead walking over there. Who's that?
That's your friend.
That's Uncle Charles.
Charles.
Where are you guys?
So turn around and come
Someone
back.
start the train. Who's driving?
Oh
Tell
my gosh, start the train.
Start the train. We're waiting. Waiting for what?
Oh, somebody.
What are we waiting for?
Are we going? Wait, hold the train. Eddie, hold the
Tell him
train.
to stop the train.
Eddie, stop.
Run him over?
What in the world?
What?
All right, we're good. All right. Nobody jump. If you jump, you're falling off the train.
I'm not walking away.
Does nobody have voice chat? Wait.
So
Who's walking away?
Uncle Charles' game is glitching.
Ooh.
Guys, it's gonna be
Oh,
nighttime
my
and we're gonna
goodness.
still be at the start.
Oh man.
This is how, bro. I swear I was on the train, and all of a sudden it started moving. So I thought you guys moved the plane.
Oh man, that's not good.
Why are you black?
Where are you guys?
Why are you?
We're right behind you. I saw you walking
I'm
ahead.
at the burning building.
Dad, you're pushing me off.
Can we go faster? Can the train go faster,
Man, this
please?
game is glitching, crazy.
Oh my gosh, why are we going at 2 miles an hour?
Who's that driving?
Oh, we're about to
Uncle
run out of
Charles.
fuel. Fuel's running off. We're running out of fuel.
We need these posters as fuel.
All right, I'm popping off.
That's not Uncle Charles.
That is. I'm going to Uncle Charles. Stop at this house.
Who's that?
That's Uncle Charles. That's
And he's
that's
leaving
him.
us.
He's
What
walking.
is that? What is that white thing?
A horse.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Yeah, stop eating all the food.
You guys. Linnea, let
See,
me get
there he
on.
is.
Oh, there he is.
That's right there. His robot legs.
His robot leg.
That's how you know it's him.
Why is the train moving?
Oh, don't
They're
leave.
leaving you, babe.
Wait, yo, don't leave. What the heck?
Okay, now start the train.
Oh no, wait, Dad! You guys are leaving Dad.
That's the person we need.
What in the world? Shoot, I'm the one
Okay.
streaming them.
I'm coming. Where are you?
Somebody's off the train.
Okay, yeah.
Who is it?
Who's that jumping in front of the train?
Oh my gosh, running him over.
So what time is it? Cause we're about to die. Look at, we ain't got no fuel.
We don't
7 p.m. 2 more hours. It's gonna get dark in 2
I have
hours.
some stuff. I have some stuff for the fuel.
We need it now.
Stuff for the fuel.
We need it now. We need it now because it's gonna get dark and we're gonna die.
Right there. There's some more. There's some rope for the fuel.
Put it in there.
Put it in there. We need as much fuel as we
Right there.
can.
The coal. I got a coal.
Get out of the way. Go,
Why do you
go.
have dreads?
Pedal to the metal. Who's driving right here? Hurry up, Sasa, your head. Go.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Hurry up, get on the train.
Keep it at 40. Don't go too fast.
Oh my gosh. My freaking.
Sean, why do you have a rat on your shoulder?
Someone, stop.
Stop the
Stop the train now.
Linnea,
Put out.
don't let her drive.
I'll drive.
It's hard to stop the train.
How do you Sasa somebody in here?
No, I'm driving.
Someone jumped on
Eat.
yeah, me.
It's about to be dark. You guys got like, you guys got like 30 seconds.
Is that a fanny pack in the
30
back?
seconds. It's gonna be pitch black over here. Oh, too
Oh,
late.
there it is.
Oh, well, it's
I'm gonna
a-
hide.
Okay, go hide in
We're
there.
all dead. We're all dead.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming.
Run, hurry up, boys. There are 4 people.
Okay, who doesn't have a gun?
I
Drive the train, because I have a gun.
well, I do not have
Dad.
a gun.
I'm driving. No, I don't. Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. I'm gonna go 2 miles per hour.
He's on.
Protect me, Eli. Protect me.
Oh, you know what the red means? Vampires.
Why is that thing just like, what is that hanging on to?
Vampires. Vampires are gonna come.
Nice. Don't get run over.
Uh-oh.
What is that? Who's hitting?
Who's dying? I'm not dying.
Look, a vampire.
Why are you
Where?
dying?
Behind us.
Behind
The vampire.
Where?
Right there. He's inside.
Train now.
Get him. He's inside the train. Kill him.
Use him as fuel.
Throw him in the fire.
What? Wait, somebody fell. Oh,
Someone died right in front of me.
revive with the bandage.
No, I can do it. I'm a doctor.
Oh, they're coming. Oh, the vampire's coming.
Oh, wow. Who's healing?
What did I
The
do
doctor.
wrong?
The doctor. Wow.
Who took my stuff?
Oh, there's a shovel and a bandage. And okay.
Oh my gosh.
My bad. I'm waiting, man. I'm paying attention.
Oh, somebody else jumped off.
Saying, what the heck?
Somebody took my snake.
My sun's coming up, so don't worry too much. Y'all ready to go, or you guys good?
Oh, everybody's.
Oh,
they're
'cause
gonna
there's a
go loot the
I
house.
saw you're a floating crop.
Oh,
What is that?
vampire! So there's a vampire over here. Somebody
Gonna
grab
get
him.
you.
Where?
He's on the right side of the train.
What is that? Oh my gosh.
Crucifix, it's fine. I did that. No, we're all
What?
fine. It's the
Where
cross. It's the holy Bible.
Yeah, you guys ready to go?
Hold on, there's so many people off the train. Why is there a zombie just dancing?
No, they
Wait,
weld
I'm
them
trying
to the
pick
train.
up this vampire.
We need fuel. Everybody, can you take that zombie, put it in here? We need fuel.
Yeah, they're getting the
Why are my
vampire.
Well, it's
getting
morning
stuck to the
time.
train? I'm the doctor.
Somebody just bring that
Oh
zombie,
my
put it in
gosh.
here for the fuel, please. Okay.
Okay, everyone
It's
here.
my
Get
fault.
down.
He's stinky.
You know how
It smells like caca.
Heck of things going on right now.
There's so many people.
Why are my bandages all over?
Can we go now?
Wait, there's people not on the train.
Why aren't you guys on the train?
Oh, somebody's holding a bandage. There you go.
Okay, is everybody on the train?
No.
Okay, who else
No,
is
I
on?
got some, I got some fuel though for the train.
Yep, we need fuel. We only got a quarter tank.
Yeah, here, right here. I'll drop it right here.
Can you guys load that in the fuel, please?
Oh, wow.
I can't drop anything because somebody just threw a whole bunch of stuff in front of me.
Well, why'd they put a painting?
That's the one zombie body right there.
Okay. All
He's
right.
trying to dance.
Oh, right there, another zombie body.
Yeah, we need a.
There's another body I grabbed.
Can you guys start loading the bodies, please?
No.
Okay, he's stuck by the window. He's just
Oh,
dangling.
and a vampire.
Where?
Come on, we need these in the fuel right here in the fire.
Somebody took my shovel.
No, your shovel's on the
Can you
ground.
get
Okay,
him?
where's my shovel?
Yeah, gotta do everything.
Wait, don't
Come over
leave.
here.
Somebody actually took a shovel. I freaking died.
Let's do this. Boom.
Oh, you're here, just kidding.
Go
What
inside.
time is it?
Everybody's walking in. Okay, let's go.
Hold on.
If you're not on the
I'm
train, that's your
putting
fault.
this thing inside here.
Why did you just throw that in there? That was like $10.
No, look at our fuel. Okay, we are.
Empty.
Okay, let's go. You guys ready? Yeah. On the hole.
Who decided? Oh, never mind. Just
Go.
kidding.
Whoa. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to bed. I'm up with you guys.
Eli, you keep on kicking me off.
You just jumped off.
Okay,
Stop
hold
saying
on.
that.
No.
No, Eli, stop being my bodyguard because you keep on kicking me off. No, you're not even helping me. I'm gonna follow Ethan, man.
There's a
Eli,
cow.
get away from me.
No bodyguard.
Nice. Eli, Tilly, Ethan's
What are we
better
doing
for
here
me,
now?
not for
This
you.
is not the entrance to the train. It's
Okay,
actually-
is
Okay, we're
everybody?
ready. We're ready.
Hey, let's go.
Oh,
Here we go. Ready or not, the train is moving.
Where everybody at?
oh, so they decided to sit on the front, and I don't know if they're gonna fall.
What
off
time
or
is it?
not.
Can anybody see the time?
Mm-mm.
Because I don't know if it's gonna get dark again.
They just fell off again.
Let's go. Just continue.
No, we cannot. Because once they die, then they have to wait forever to start.
Well, it's not your fault.
No, man.
I'm gonna sit in
I'm
here.
gonna stay right here, Ethan. I'm not gonna go to your stupid spot. Every time I listen to you and Eli, something bad happens to me.
Someone fell off.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
you guys go.
Town.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pull up a little bit closer to the town.
There we go.
Right here. All right, everybody, go ransack that town. I'm gonna be the driver, keeping the eyeball out. Let's see. Oh, we got a lot of time. It's only 3 p.m.
Why am I moving around?
Here, I gotta go be the camera guy. All right, I'm just. Oh, you guys going to the other building? Oh, yep. I gotta move the train.
Oh, somebody's moving the train.
Oh, someone's moving the train. Okay.
It's been up ahead for a while.
All right, Miley.
It's freaking Ikonu.
I have a lot of fuel for the train.
Oh my god.
Hey, look at baby sleeping. He's so handsome when he sleeps.
Hey,
Look at
can
him.
you guys leave me a gun? Can I have a gun, please?
What the heck?
Okay,
Man, he's cross-eyed.
I already took everything. There's nothing in there.
Hey, what are you doing that for?
Of course.
Come
Of
Right,
course, Eddie.
here.
Oh, dang! Look over there. There's a whole town. You guys want to
I
take
said
it?
there was a town.
Oh my gosh, so aggressive.
Move the train.
So aggressive.
No, I'm going up here, man. Y'all gonna die at that town.
Yeah, because it's just non-stop zombies.
Can you guys handle this town?
Yeah.
Well, you guys got about 4 hours to do it.
Look at them.
Look,
Look at
they
them.
coming. Ooh.
Straight to the
Ooh,
train.
I'm gonna hide right over here.
Oops. It's getting my.
Get
Get
away.
him!
I
Get him!
am.
Babe. No, you're driving! You're driving away! You're letting him kill you!
Oh, my bad. My bad, guys. Hold on.
You weren't even like.
Hey, why not?
Get out of
You don't have a
there!
gun.
You don't leave them! Get out of
I
there!
know. I'm trying to.
Okay,
He's right there. Eat.
Guys, we barely even made it.
Man, we're about to die.
Yeah, you about to die.
You
You guys are
Over here.
about to die.
You're letting him like kill you.
I need fuel. I'm gonna be the fuel guy.
I can pick you
What
up.
is that?
Say, look over there.
Yeah, go pick him up.
I'm not going to do that.
Oh, dang. They just keep coming. I'm gonna grab them. We need fuel. That's why I guess. About to be dark in 2 hours.
There's a vault thing.
About to be dark in 2 hours. We gotta fill up this
Get him,
thing.
Barry, get him.
Nursa! Get him! Get him, Nursa!
What do you want me to do?
Nursa
Someone
is.
dead over there. If you die, we're gonna weld you to the front of the car.
Oh. Okay, thank you for that. Nursa, come here.
Let me get it. Eddie, what number?
Oh, no. Okay.
Oh,
Now it's dark.
yeah, I'm going back inside the car.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I can't do it. I'm
No, I know the code. I told you to come
Oh
to the
man, we're
base.
low on fuel. We
I'm
can't.
driving.
That's what I said.
No choice.
Why is it you and Charles on the
Why?
train? Everybody else.
No, this is the wrong code for the wrong
I'm out of
thing.
here. Why you guys
Chupacabras
not
gonna
on
be
here?
here.
It's nighttime. Come on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna collect these bodies over here. I just need to collect them.
Ah!
Wait, I'm coming. Don't leave me.
Don't leave me either. I'm coming.
Get that one.
Wait, I'm getting snacked. I'm getting
That's the
snacked.
for the bank and give it to me.
Yeah.
Empty it right over here. Okay, what? How do I empty it?
Unstore is
I don't
triangle.
have nothing.
You're on the trains.
Okay, that's good. You guys ready to go?
Yes, go.
Wait for everybody.
Wait for me!
Hop on.
Oh my gosh, there's zombies! Something's attacking you! What the heck? Something's attacking you, Mike.
Oh, it's a vampire.
Oh,
Freaking.
no.
What is it? Where is
Everybody, get inside of the.
Get out of here because
Are we going?
Who's dead?
come here.
Who's dead over there?
Grab the body. Grab the body.
Go grab that body.
Weld them.
Yeah, grab the body.
Grab the body.
We can't leave here. We gotta stay here and fight until daytime.
Yeah, fight till
Can
daytime.
you just add them to the fuel? There you go.
Man, I'm out of storage. I paid for more storage.
I did too.
Just drop all the bodies here because I need it for the fuel. What the heck? I thought I grabbed them.
Are we saving them?
Are you guys? Why is this not moving? Is he welded?
Okay, so now we have to wait until the morning time.
We hear
We
you,
only have one
okay?
stick oil left in the
They have
bandage.
So
We have to take these bodies.
everyone's dead. Wait till morning. I can heal all of you.
It's
Just
4 a.m.
Oh my gosh. I'm on the train
Dang,
and the
what the
zombie
heck?
comes up from behind
Oh,
me.
what the heck?
Yeah.
I'm going back to the
Yeah.
trains. I'm not using mine out of the holy water.
holy,
Let me check our fuel because I've been throwing zombies in there. Yep,
only half
we're a
tank.
little bit over half.
It,
Okay, let me grab
Somebody died.
I did.
Somebody died.
Charles.
I see all of you dead
We're
over
gonna have to
there.
grab all of your dead bodies. Okay,
Oh.
just wait.
Put Charles down.
I gotta weld them.
Put me down.
Okay,
Put him
we're
down.
We're coming to come save you all.
Okay,
What the
get
heck?
the
I just
fuel.
glitched. Oh, I just glitched.
Okay, someone save Charles.
I did.
Wait, just go collect the bodies and don't go one by one.
There's two bodies back down there. Someone need to grab them.
Help me! I glitched through the ceiling. Help me!
Put him down.
Help me!
Picking and stuff though.
Someone help me!
Hold on now. Maya, hold on. I gotta go get those other two guys over there. Oh, someone got them.
Help!
Oh, right there.
Dad, help! Someone help!
Is this you?
Eli, help me! You're right there!
Where?
Hold on.
Eli, help. You're right there.
That's hilarious.
Look up. Help.
Eli, help.
Who is that? Who keeps on going?
Let me move this stuff under me.
Oh, where's the stuff under you?
The stuff that's under me.
Hey.
Why are they hopping around?
Because they need to be saved.
I'm stuck.
Hold on.
Now I
You
need
don't
to
have anything in
heal.
there. You don't have anything in
Okay,
there.
who's the doctor?
Okay, now
Can you
this
guys
way.
save these guys over here? They're like, one of them's dead in the driver's chair. And he needs to be healing. Who's this? He looks like he had a hard night last night. Someone need to save those two.
Wait, go collect the zombies.
Yeah.
Put them in your sack.
Come into my
I'm
sack.
trying.
Come into my sack.
Look, see, Charles
Go
already
look at the other
collecting
quote
them
over there and
too.
tell me what it is.
Oh, there, Leah, one of you guys.
Can whoever's a doctor, can you guys go save?
Oh,
Can you
God.
guys save
Oh, thank you.
whoever?
Oh, you're about to die, babe. Oh, there's a bandage.
Oh yeah.
Who's
Thank you.
giving you all this stuff?
No, I need to go save what
I'm trying! I'm
use
trying!
this bandage to go save those other two.
Who is that? Who's saying that?
Myra and Nerissa over here. Sorry.
Hey, who's in here? Get out of
Hey, you
here.
guys watch out. I gotta save. I gotta use this to save.
We saved all of you, so we deserve this. Okay.
What?
we're coming.
Oh, they did already. Oh,
Wait,
that
who's
revive
this?
with a bandage.
Someone's doing that already.
No, we're doctors, so we can revive you without needing a bandage.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, who's still dead?
I was in
Oh,
the
he's
middle
still
of doing it.
dead.
We should definitely be like this and love each other.
Alright, you guys
Look
ready?
at
Shovels are over here. If you need them.
So more
Fuel
fuel.
looks better.
Okay, where's everybody? One,
Okay,
two,
we're ready
Oh,
to go.
unload your zombies so you can have fuel.
Where did
I
Uncle
did.
Charles go? Oh,
Okay, we in the train. We all ready to go. Everybody.
No, I'm not ready. My gold glitched through the side of the building.
Oh look, there's a handgun down there.
big ingredients.
That's yours. Isn't it?
Is that my handgun?
Oh, somebody got a full set.
My phone just
So
stopped.
let me get that gun.
Yeah, give me my phone.
Hold
You
on.
could use
Let
that
me get
charger.
that.
Oh, Linnea's phone died.
Yep, I took your payments.
We can join back through the thing.
How do I
right
get
now.
this revolver?
Why is it only 33%?
Someone took it.
It stopped charging.
Alright. You guys ready to go? We good?
We're waiting for 2 people.
Oh, my bad.
Careful.
Wait.
Well, I just went and grabbed 10 zombie bodies for our gas.
4,
Oh, yep.
5, 6.
Oh, look at all these things.
What things?
whoever that guy at the.
Why don't we
over there
do the
just
thing we did last time
unloading all kinds
and
of stuff.
stick all the bodies to the train?
Oh yeah, we could do that.
While we wait for Linnea to join back.
I'll join with the
What's this bottle right here?
Where are you at? My phone died.
Oh, look at all these bodies. Yeah, let me just unload these bodies in this fireplace. Yeah, we're full. All right, we're out of full fuel.
Okay, guys.
Hey, who's in my seat over here?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you guys ready to go? All right, here we go.
1 second.
Oh, wait. Hold on 1 second. We're waiting.
Oh, Eli says wait. He's coming.
All right, we're waiting for Eli.
Where are you?
Oh, there he is. I see him.
Okay, let's go.
Are you close?
Why did you do
You're on the train?
We're about to go.
I need to go to the trade.
What time is it?
Place. I have like $500 in my
5
sack.
p.m.
Okay, ready to go. Here we go.
Can I have $100?
Somebody just
Two people left behind.
They're glitching.
Okay, it's time to start walking.
Where are you guys
Why is
walking
going
to?
to be Ethan and Eli getting kicked off? I think you two got to get out of here, bro. Because they were kicked off before.
It hits harder than the normal one.
No,
No, it
are you
doesn't.
still on the train with us?
No, my phone died.
Yeah.
No, we can't leave until she comes back. When she spawns back, Mike,
Yeah.
she's gonna spawn back over there.
Oh, okay. Well, let's wait. We're gonna have to fight off zombies.
Remember when Eli
Not
came
me.
back?
That's
I'm
right.
going to the checkpoint.
No,
and
left
telling my
side,
goal.
Uncle Charles is right. She can.
No,
She's
she
gonna.
can't spawn back.
But it's gonna be back to where we were just at.
Yeah, her dead body's gonna be over there.
So
Wherever
can
the dead
you
body
guys
was,
go wait over there?
I'm gonna go over there, Shirley. I'm gonna wait for her.
Oh dang! I
I
can
got
go
one
forward with the
shovel.
message.
That's all I need to go dig my grave while I wait for my niece.
Dad, the thing's walking distance.
It is.
Yeah, I'm walking over there now.
Okay, that's fine. But we'll just wait for Linnea. Make sure you guys all get ready because it's gonna get crazy.
What time is it?
Are you coming now?
Yes, you see me. I'm jumping. My grasshopper.
Oh, it's getting dark. 30 seconds. It's about to be dark.
She's right there. I see you.
30 seconds. About to be dark.
Yep, I'm safe.
Hold it
Not
down.
you guys, I'm safe.
Hold it down.
Jump for joy.
Because when you go to
Linnea's
the beginning,
inside the game.
Yeah, are you almost there?
Jump for joy. Linnea's inside the game.
Well, we're waiting for you.
The trading post.
Just moving the train loose because I feel like
There's werewolves.
They're coming. Oh, the chupacabra's coming.
and we're trying to still catch up.
If anybody gets dropped,
Let me know when you're.
We're here.
She's on.
I know. I'm going. Yes, sir. Let's go.
No, I need to go in here.
Right now. Go. Run. Not run.
Y'all should have walked.
Oh, there's checkpoint. Checkpoint's up ahead. We're good. We're about to hit the checkpoint.
Oh well.
Show them the checkpoint's up ahead.
Eli's off.
Okay. Everybody jump out and let's go help Eli. Let's go.
Oh, you're right here, Eli. You're okay. And let's take turns at the.
How much you got from your band?
400.
Oh, that's a chupacabra. Oh, he's about to get killed. I'm taking his body.
Take the next body.
Yeah, let's go.
Bro just got bodies.
I got him.
I take this one. I take this. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's mine. It's nice. It's mine.
Collect those bodies you're selling.
Everybody get in the line.
You?
Oh, you gonna go trade first? Go. Why is there a zombie over here? Let me put him in my.
Mari, you should let me have that.
Have what?
That what you got in your hand right there.
No. I don't have anything in my hand.
Yeah, you watching?
I need some money, Eli, so I can buy myself a gun.
Uncle, I'll
I
buy
only
you a gun.
$25. What am I gonna do with $25?
Who wants a gun?
Me, I want a gun.
Okay,
Uncle Charles wants a gun.
Here, Nurse Aki, watch out for a second.
Ooh, there's a house. I bet I can go there by myself. come back.
Okay, Uncle, I'll buy you a gun. Come
Go
here.
ransack
Just
that
if you give me a gun, I promise I will not let you die.
There's horses back here. By the way.
Hey.
Which gun?
Ethan.
No, I'm going to this house over there, I see.
Uncle, do you want your own turret,
Buy me
Uncle?
a shotgun. Buy me a shotgun. Can somebody buy me a
You
shotgun?
guys
this?
come meet me over here when
You
you
need
guys
to
done.
get out of here. You need to get out of this shop right now.
Man, move. Get out of here. You don't have to be in front of my face to ask me the question. Heel.
It's on the floor, Uncle, your gun.
Okay, thank you. Get away, Colin. What the heck? Do you have a gun, Eli? Huh? So why are you gonna say I want a
I need
gun
both
but
of
you
you
can't
to
buy it
move.
like as if you don't have a gun?
I need everybody to get out.
Okay. What ammo do you need? What? Can somebody buy Ethan a stack of rifle ammo, please? Yeah, right there. Buy Econo. I mean Eli. Eli needs $20. I only have $5.
Man, how do you get all that money?
Because I robbed 2 banks.
Alright.
What?
Look at my shoulder armor, Dad.
I don't know,
Look at my
bro.
armor.
That's all. I'm like, dang, what the heck?
Well,
You look
everyone was
like,
dying. I was robbing the
those
bank.
ladies who used to wear blazers to church back in the 80s.
Oh,
They had a lot of shoulder padding on their blazers. Yeah.
ooh,
What?
that animal. Look at this animal.
Okay.
How do I ride this horse? But can I still grab it to come to make friends with me?
No.
What? Come here, horsey.
I think you might need
Why
a
is
lasso.
my
I didn't know they
game
had that.
moving me like that, man? Huh? Bigger parties kind of last.
All right, back then.
If I'm on the train, why is it moving me off the train?
Oh, oh.
Whoa, look at the walls, man. Look. Oh, crap.
That horse is dead. Oh, fuel.
Why'd you guys kill my horse?
That's good fuel for the train.
Anybody? I got shotgun bullets. Anybody got shotgun? I got bullets.
Yeah, I can fix him. Eli says he needs rifle ammo.
Why are we moving and leaving Uncle?
Who's moving in the train? Who did that?
Come up here.
Here,
Dad, where are you?
I got. Yeah, I got some bullets. This is a revolver bullet, right there. This is shotgun bullets. Whoever has shotgun, because
Eli,
there's shotgun bullets in
take
the.
this vase right here and go trade it in. To
Can't afford
here
that.
where I'm standing. Look at that thing. Go trade this vase in. Grab that vase right there, Eli.
We can save it, Dad.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what I'm
look, I got
telling Eli to
bullets.
grab it.
Is everybody ready to go? Everybody just waiting for me? My bad.
No,
Okay,
Why
come
don't
on.
you have a shirt on?
All right, you ready, guys? You ready to go?
You're wasting your
wait.
Oh,
fuel.
shoot. There we go.
So you see these 2 guns with your 1 gun?
Myra, you're pushing me around.
No, I'm not. I'm not even touching you.
Okay, everyone's falling off the train.
Did you get it, Eli? Did you get the money?
Then I need a...
Come on.
So tell me when to go.
Hold on, I'm robbing this place over here.
Sorry, I already took everything in there.
What?
Yeah, that place is empty. I took it. Sorry, guys. While you guys were all busy over there, I was over there. All right, I'm moving the train forward to you guys.
Are you with me, Eli? Yeah, Mike said he had pistol ammo, Eli. He could have just took the pistol ammo.
I don't know. Can't see. I don't want to run anyone over.
Find chairs for these guys. That's how I got last.
Hello?
Somebody doesn't know how to wheel a chair to the train.
There's a house right here, Dad.
David.
I'm slowing down. I gotta check the fuel since I'm in charge
You
of
already
that.
robbed this house.
2 hours till sundown. Letting you guys know. 2 hours till sundown. It's gonna get dark.
Okay, just come in here
The
and
hours
steal
move by
when I
seconds.
was already stealing. That's why you don't have a gun.
I wish I could kill everybody in this game and just do it.
I'm glad you're far away so my stream don't catch that.
I think the stream catched that.
Alright, everybody ready to go?
Sun's going down.
Alright, we're heading out. Let's go.
Someone's not on the train.
Oh, wait for them. Alright, we're good now? Alright, here we go. Oh, sorry. Let me know when it's ready. It looks like. Okay, we're going. Alright, here we go.
Anybody tries to come up on the back of this train, I'm gonna blast them.
Go 40 miles per hour.
Come on. Come up here.
Just tell me when to slow down or stop. Because I can't really see what's going on. How many meters are we at? 12,000 meters.
12,000? That's like nothing right now. Can I have a cook? I'm outside.
Well, I can't wait till we reach the castle, man. That's what I'm looking forward to.
It's raining
How's the fuel look? Somebody? Looks good? Alright, it's still good then.
It's 1 a.m.
Any chupacabras?
No.
Just a bunch of zombies, huh?
Why is Nerissa beautiful Nerissa and then my name doesn't even have the R in it?
I don't know.
That's so mean.
I don't even know.
Mine's in here. It's 3 a.m.
Alright. Any houses or anything?
Yeah,
Go
there's
over
one
We
right
must stop right here or no? Too many zombies, yeah.
Do not stop. Look what happened last time.
Alright.
Hey, Mike.
Everybody somebody jumped off or no? We're good? Alright, we're passing by that path. The music's playing. Dang, there's so much zombies hopping in front of this train.
Oh, that's their fault. They died. Again.
Time is it? 16 meters.
They're about to lose the torch. They're about to lose the torch. Oh my gosh. Who did that? Torch.
The torch is flying in the air. Any houses? Are we stopping right here? Okay, yeah, everybody go, 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 go.
Let me shoot the zombie.
Shoot, I gotta be cameraman. Hold on, coming. We all rolling deep, man. Look at everybody. These zombies got no chance. Dang.
Oh my gosh, big and greedy.
Don't leave. Mari, stop. What the frick? What in the world? She's over here driving the train away. The heck? Hey, we're all...
Get back here. Look at this is big. I'm about to throw holy water at your head.
The train's still here, guys.
No, it's at the other one.
Dang, you just rolled out. See, this is why I can't leave the train.
I'm about to throw holy water at your head so you can get struck by lightning.
Okay. Ethan, are you charging Evan's phone?
Alright, I'm going back to the train.
What?
Cause I gotta go sit in the chair.
I told you to literally.
Mari, what are you doing?
I'm not
I
doing
the phone
that.
in the charger.
Linnea, revive me.
Mari, stop.
Linnea,
Stop,
revive
Mari.
me. Do not let them
You gotta get out of the chair because you can't be doing it. You gotta get out now.
Over here.
Come on, get out. Go, you're supposed to be ransacking with
I don't
them.
want to. I'm already rich.
Ooh. Eli.
I'm not nice to die.
Hey, go save Nerissa somebody.
No, I already got it. Because somebody doesn't know how to just help me when I ask for help. There's no baby here. There's a doctor over here. Why is it just a big and greedy? Big and greedy. Lynette is big and greedy. What do you mean?
Somebody help, Nerissa?
Your greed sickens me to my ass.
And Myri's big and greedy for over
Okay.
there. He's the one that lives
Feels
in
looking
Melbourne.
pretty good still.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Uncle Fuel, looks like I got some dead bodies.
We could use a little bit of fuel.
You know what? I just spent 45
Alright.
Robux.
Oh, yep, the fuel looks good now. We're at full tank.
Oh, the base is right there. I'm about to console. I have a gift card from freaking Christmas I didn't use in my car. Are we gonna go? That was supposed to be for White Elephant at church.
And all we're gonna hear in this stream is background music.
Oh, there's saddles for purchase in here.
So whoever dies is gonna their next. You're gonna be up there.
Man, zombies just dancing over here. Okay. Are we going now?
The base is right here. Right there. Where's the
Yeah, now we're full.
I'm at the base.
Oh my gosh, here we go. We're all at the base waiting.
Is there like a camp nearby?
Hey, the next person is gonna be sitting here tomorrow.
All right, everybody, go cash your stuff out and everything.
If you like them over there, it's good for you.
Well, you're nothing, Sylvain. I only get my boogers to eat, Sylvain.
Hey, moving the train.
Don't
It
move
was
the
Ricardo. He's in
train.
the train.
What in the
It
world?
wasn't me.
Somebody
Yeah, I'm gonna stand right here. That way, no one.
Sit in the train. Watch everyone.
I don't know. Okay.
5 p.m.
Let me know when you guys are ready to go. It's 5 p.m. We should stay here overnight. Should we stay here overnight or go?
I'm not an art player.
Why is this one so dark?
Why are you so dark? That's just okay.
Why are you black? I saw earlier. One A hair is black.
Oh dang, zombies coming. Oh no, someone's just dragging them.
This one's darker. This one's pink.
Are we staying overnight here or are we going?
This one has a foot on the back of his back.
Are we staying here or going? Put a zombie in my face. Someone get dang
There's
zombie
an
out
ammo
of
in your face, Dad. Let me grab that for you.
That's my ammo. What in the world? I need that.
No, it's okay.
Can you get the zombie dangling his molly in my face, please? Come on, who put this over here? What the heck?
It's not letting me grab it.
Hey, get him out, because it's starting to smell stinky. Get up. What in the world? He's right here now. Someone get this
I'm
zombie.
trying to.
Put him in there for fuel. Actually, we're full. No, weld them on the floor over there. Damn, we're already at 20,000 meters.
What if we just drive?
In the dark?
Yeah.
That's fine. When you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, everybody on board? We're going. Oh, wait. Hold on. I don't know. Oh, it's dark now.
I left because I'm tired of having nothing. So I went and go walk by myself.
Oh, we gotta go. Let's go. We gotta go find Uncle Charles.
You cannot walk by yourself. We just
You
left.
just always pick everything, every day, every hour, every time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 2 people.
Where are they? So Charles is up ahead. And who else?
Go now, please go.
Tell me when you guys see Uncle Charles so I can stop. Is that him? Oh, Chupacabra. I just seen him. Chupacabra's coming.
Dad, stop the train, Dad.
All right, I'm stopping. You guys get your readies. Get your Chupacabra's coming.
Good.
We're fighting for our lives.
Someone died over there.
Oh, that Chupacabra had no chance. All them bullets was hitting him like every angle. Chupacabra's got no chance, man. Everybody hacks guns in this train.
Charles, why did you leave?
Who's out there?
Someone
Why
died.
did he let them come over
Yo,
here?
2 people dead. Yo, that means I gotta jump out of this train and help shoot. Watch out, where the Chupacabras at? Now I gotta go save them.
No, I already killed all of them.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oops, sorry.
Eli just glitched off the world.
No, who's this? Stop moving!
Guys, one of the dead people glitched off the world.
Stop moving! I'm not gonna heal you. Okay, you're getting left behind.
Don't get off the train. You go heal them, somebody.
I
Go heal
can't
me.
heal them if they keep
Just leave
moving.
Well, then stop. Dude,
Whoa.
stop being dealing, Ethan. Okay?
Bro, get out of my face, stupid Chupacabra. Don't go yet.
I just died.
Don't go. It's okay. We can. The sun's gonna come up. We'll be good.
Grab my cross. I just died.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang! Most of everybody on our team is dead. Sun's coming up.
Whatever his name.
Yeah, everybody, can you guys revive everybody over here? Yeah, look
I
at
dropped
you.
all of my things.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it. So
Get my cross. Get my cross. Wait, I'm glitching my cross. Dad, can you grab my cross?
yeah, let me get my sack.
Dad,
Where is it?
right there behind you.
Over.
Dad,
My stuff.
Help!
Well, we need some
In the
coal.
fireplace. Why are you in the fireplace? I don't know. Somebody help me. Oh my gosh, why is there so many dead thieves? Linnea, help me. Move the train a little. Move the train.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. No, Dad, I can heal them. I can do it without band-aids.
Okay. Charles down. Everybody's down. Who's someone over here dead over here too? Whoa! Look at all these guns.
Hey, that's my
Oh, this
gun.
is. Oh, my bad.
That's my gun.
Oh, here. Let me take it out then. Hold on. Yeah. Your gun is back down on the floor over there.
Thank
Dang,
you,
I can
man.
still see the base and we all died.
Hey,
Someone
go
dead
get
over
my
here.
gun.
Who's this?
Okay, I'll heal them.
Daddy, give my gun back.
Oh, what stuff is this over here?
Where stuff? My
Don't.
stuff.
Hey, no, that's Uncle
I'm
Charles stuff
dirty,
over
dog.
there.
They took my shotgun, bro.
You guys, that's Uncle Charles stuff.
Hey,
I need fuel for the car.
What
Let
a
me heal
dirty
him.
guy.
Look at her trying to come beat up and we didn't even move like 5 feet away from the thing. We did better when Matthew was here. We need Matthew back.
We got fuel, man. Our fuel is good. How you guys? Everybody on the train?
I think this is Uncle Charles was good.
How come this guy's still dead? Someone heal him.
Man, somebody took my shotgun, bro. Dirty.
I don't know. Mary, stop messing around and heal him already. What in the world? The heck?
oh, it didn't weld. Oh, hold on.
Where did he go? Oh.
How is he moving? He's dead. You have to put him on the train. Put him on the
You're
train.
messing around too much already. Come on. Look, he's already doing pound signs. Heal him already. Dang. Frick. What the heck? Heal him. Stop messing around and
I'm
heal
trying to
him.
press the revive
No, you
button.
purposely like throwing his body around. Freaking heal him already. Dang, what the heck?
Oh my gosh, stop moving.
Who is that anyway? Who's
Why?
that?
Stop moving him.
Who is that that's still dead? Oh, man, but still, guys, man. All right, I'm going already.
Dad, can I have... No, before I let them...
Oh, hurry up, jump on.
Dad, can I get my cross back?
Yeah. Okay. Are we going down or no? Here, you want to cross? There, right there, all on the ground. It's right there. Now you gotta jump outside. Okay, put it back in my sack. It takes so long. Yeah, we're going. Yeah, far, yeah. Oh,
Okay. Oh, well, he's left behind. Wow. Okay, it's one person
by
Dang,
the time we
it's 3
leave.
p.m.
Okay, go. We barely made it away from the freaking fortress.
I can still see the
Guys, over
fortress.
here, cyberbullying.
Why are you rinsing out?
Bro, you can change the configurations, bro.
Who's glitching over here?
Why does everyone have like 0
What the
health?
heck is this glitching?
Wait, no. Uncle Charles, you took my gun.
No, I bought Uncle Charles
We're
again.
not stopping here. Oh my gosh, you took my gun.
It was
Do not jump out. Please don't jump out.
We need to stop here.
It has 2 banks. We need to stop.
And then we're gonna die?
Yeah.
Oh, no, don't stop. Don't stop.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Nursa. Bye, Linnea.
Hey, we're stopping. You guys already jumped out. Dang. Now we're good. You guys realize what time is it? Look, it's 6 p.m. 7, 8, 9. We only got 3 hours. You guys, 3 hours before darkness. Oh my gosh, where's the next checkpoint? How far is the
Tell me the
next
code,
checkpoint?
Nursa.
Frick, the checkpoint's too far from here. Yeah, we're definitely not gonna make it. This
What's
is
the
the
code?
end. This is the end of the road. Yeah, it's right here. I think this is the end of it. We're not gonna make it.
Kill him. Dad, at least we have Jesus over here in the game.
It's not gonna work because look, that's a whole town. So I don't know where the next checkpoint is.
I'm saving
It's
you.
8 o'clock. 1 more hour. Sundown.
What was the code, Nursa?
Oh man, we're not gonna make it. I'm gonna be dead. I'm gonna die.
351.
Dang.
351.
What's your idea?
Zombies quick over here.
Who's that right there? Can you put a plate right there? Yeah. Weld it right there so they don't come in here.
What?
It's dark.
What? Who's this? Get out of here. Yeah.
They're coming. They're coming. I see a chupacabra. Red eyes. They can't come through these windows.
Hey. Get out of here. What? Where? Where? What's killing you? There's nothing in here.
This is it. This is the end of the
Stay away
road.
from this wall. There's a zombie.
This
in
is
it.
where we all die.
Everyone come to the bank till morning. But then get out of the
Yeah,
bank.
me and Nan's over here. Yeah, what if we need to help somebody? Look,
When you go to bed, it's already 11.
someone died.
Look what they did. Oh my gosh.
Inside.
Who is that? What's that body?
Oh, it's Eddie.
I ran out of
Stick 'em to the
bullets.
ceiling for now. Oh my gosh!
I ran out of bullets.
Like 13 minutes came out.
I'm the only survivor over here. It's okay.
The only way to survive is to just
Oh my gosh.
I'm just waiting for another thing to come in here so I can slap his head.
Well, I'm
I dropped my gun.
we're all dead.
I dropped my gun.
That's the only survivor.
Something's killing me, man.
Come here. Come here.
And I don't know what it is. Because I can't see it.
Above you. Don't go in the seat. Don't go in the seat.
Is that where it's at? See, I keep getting hit.
We're all gonna fall off.
Where is it?
It's above. Just stay.
My life is low.
You guys need to stock up on smoke oil.
It's 5 a.m. Sun about to come up.
There's like something killing me.
5 a.m.
Eddie, that's not the code.
All right, we're safe. Sun's coming up.
Okay, we'll come back
What's in my sack?
Okay, who has the healer? Who's the healer?
I need to get a
Okay, what do I do now?
Oh, you're trash. Oh, you're so trash. Nurse, steal his gun.
Yeah, we're not that evil.
No, you guys, we're supposed to work as a team.
Yeah, I know we're working. That's you, like Gabby.
I don't know where you guys at. What do you want me to do with you?
Myri, we need to
You
get
disappeared.
You put
I'm
our
trying to
bodies
oh
up and
dang,
get it on
everyone's
top
dead
of
over
the
there.
train.
Put the bodies on the train.
Yeah, me and whoever else
Oh
is
yeah.
dead.
Oh yeah. I see you guys right here.
I'm trying to rob this bank.
Oh dang! What the heck? How did you just like
Ooh, there's a
fling up?
hatchet in here if anyone wants it.
Okay, just stay right there, okay? And I gotta grab the other bodies. Right here. Can someone please help heal?
I'm trying. We don't have. Wait, don't stick me to the train.
Gotta heal.
I'm trying to get healing supplies.
I don't have any healing supplies.
Okay, we're coming. Myri, where are you at?
Reviving
Does anybody got
Connor.
healing
Who's on the train?
Stop
supplies?
dying.
Who's on the train? Who's going on the train?
Why do I keep
I don't have
dying?
anything.
What's killing me?
Okay, we're coming over.
We just need someone with the whoever's a doctor, please.
It looks like I'm hiding. Okay, we're coming right now. We're coming. Are there band-aids on the side?
I don't even move this thing. So I wanna love this right here.
All of us, because a stupid chupacabra ate all of our heads off. Oh my gosh, hold on, don't move. Do not move.
Fine.
It kills me to freaking revive you.
You guys reviving?
Does it take your health when you revive someone?
Yes, 35146.
Oh dang.
I need my health to, that's why I was trying to find health stuff. I need snake oil.
You gotta stock up on the snake oil. I bought like 5 of them.
Do you have any for me to use?
No, I used all of them.
There's people going back to the, town. There, I'm like, gonna die. Are we done raiding the town?
No.
Okay.
I need to find the dude with the hat.
There's a big note stuck on the train, by the way.
What does it say?
It was like 3 something something. Do not, because that's messed up. Myra's on the side of the train.
What? I just healed everyone.
I healed everyone.
Yeah, I helped it.
No, you didn't.
Kinda.
Where did everybody go? Where's everybody?
We're not building the train yet. We still need to get stuff.
Is everybody still at the town?
Trying to find the code to the safe.
Come on, get out of here. Come on, let's go.
There's nothing
Because
new.
your mom said you guys gotta go to bed for school tomorrow. So as soon as we die, we're done.
Yeah.
There's a turret in here. Oh, there's band-aids in here.
Can you grab me one?
Yeah.
And our fuel is full.
Oh, there's one that says 16456.
Alright.
Don't tell her now. Oh,
I don't need that. I don't need that. I need that. What is it, Linnea?
there's 2 of them.
Okay, tell me one.
This is a big town.
Nope.
Dang,
What's the other one?
Oh,
Linnea.
we need fuel.
Are you sure it's there? Let me see. It says 16456. Get out.
Yeah, no. Stop the code.
Can you stop? I'm trying to do this.
Anyone know what time it is?
I help. Stop.
Yeah, it's a big town.
I think we should just get back on the train.
Wait, there's ammo on the other side of
It's 6 p.m.
Yeah, we need to get back on the train.
6 p.m. Oh yeah. So you guys, we gotta go.
this. Yep, I'm leaving. I got what I wanted.
Nurse it.
Yeah, I'm
We
going
gotta
back.
go.
I'm going. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Oh, you opened it? Yeah, the code was right there.
Can you guys? How do we get back? I'm so lost.
It's over here.
How do I get back to the train?
I don't know.
Did you guys get to the bank?
Hey, Abby.
It's on the phone.
Hey.
Let's just go. Hold on, I'm still making my way over there. I need to buy snake oil.
Okay, I think the next checkpoint is right up ahead. So let's get to the checkpoint so we could like relax.
Who's all over there right now?
Everyone's here. Oh, yep.
Myron, where you at?
Right behind you.
Go, hurry up. Okay, wait.
It's nighttime now.
Wait, I'm right.
So I'm gonna hide over here.
Okay.
Dad, you're supposed to be the driver.
I know. Uncle Charles about to punch.
Okay, I'm
Go
ready.
ahead. Let's do it. Let's go. Yes, sir. Nobody jump because you're gonna fall off the train. I know. I just want to see the zombies come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Anybody see the checkpoint up ahead?
6, 7, 8. That's 8 people. We're missing one.
No, I'm the driver.
No, he's a driver.
No, we're missing one.
No, he's at the front of the train.
At the very front?
Yeah, the very
Okay.
front.
I was looking to the front of the train.
They stand at the front of the train.
I'm seeing if we get to the base yet. But if not,
I don't see no chupacabras.
check the gas right now.
Oh, yep, checkpoint's right after this rock bridge.
I don't see it. I see a rock. I see a
We should be coming up. The next one should be the castles.
Oh, yep.
When we leave the town again, we should be coming up on the castle.
Oh, yep. Stand still. Yeah. Don't worry about it.
We don't need it.
Don't jump off. Don't be selfish. Stay on the train.
It's right next to the base. You can wait.
Yeah. You can go over there by yourself. Yeah, we're already at the base now. Everybody, go get your stuffs.
No one comes to the trading post. Besides Marisa.
You're not the boss of us.
Take turns. Just take turns. If you see somebody there already, get that.
Yeah, everybody stay back. No, stay back. Let each person go collect their money.
Yeah. Marisa, watch my
Okay,
back.
next. Go. See, be respectful for each person's things. That's a $50. Well, let me just go grab one.
Hey!
Yep, bye. I'll go over there.
Okay, I'm gonna wait till everybody's done trading.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna go.
Who's over there right now? And who's dying?
Okay, Lene, I'll come with you. 'cause I have
Dang,
a
what are you
gun.
guys trading? That's $50, man. Dang, whoever's over there, their money's falling all over the place.
Oh, heck no. Oh, Curtis, please save me.
Hey, who's that? Who's that in front of me? Here, stay behind me. I have a
The
gun.
chupacabra.
Curtis, get that.
All right, everybody done? So I'm collect mine.
Died over there.
Please.
Who's dead?
I was running to the lab and then I got labbed.
Oh, Uncle, you at the bank? No.
No, I never know the chupacabra was there.
Lene, grab Uncle.
Help me, somebody help me.
Dang, Lene, I'm so selfish.
I know, right?
You know what? If you start dying, Lene, I'm not saving you.
But you can save. But you're the doctor.
Well, you,
Yeah.
but you're the priest.
Yeah, the whole thing I have is
I need these zombies for fuel since I'm the driver of the
Okay,
train.
cool.
water.
Now heal me.
I only got $20 out of all that stuff I got. Dang.
I'm building the monster.
Let me just fill up our
What
fuel.
is this?
What?
What do I get if I help build this?
Get killed.
But then why are we building it?
I don't know. I'm bored.
No, we're not building this if it's gonna get us killed, dumb.
Yeah, Myron.
But she's like trying to make us die. Why would you do that?
Yeah, don't make anybody die.
Lynette took all the stuff.
That's big and greedy of you.
Lynette took all of it.
Our fuel's
For
full.
yourself.
So you took
I was able to fill up the full. Anybody got revolver bullets? Actually, I can go buy some.
No, now I'm gonna build the thing, and then I'm gonna leave Linnea.
She's already gone. Where's the other wing? Where are you?
Don't put it in my mouth, girl. Yeah.
I'm greedy. The gluttony sickens me, Linnea.
So I just don't know where it went, but it glitched somewhere.
I need revolver bullets.
You said it was a lot of money. You gave me $20.
I'm just getting bullets.
Where's his head?
I'm trying to find it.
Where are you? What's this? Oh dang, where'd you get all this stuff from?
What if it like helps us? What if it doesn't kill us, but it helps? No, it kills you. There's some.
I don't even know.
What does this do? Attracts lightning, but makes it harmless? Wait, can this field the train?
Did you take the head? No.
Dang. All this stuff you gave me is giving me a lot of money.
Where's the head?
Alright, now I got bullets. I need more bullets.
What time is it?
Is it time for us to go?
What time does it say it is?
I didn't check it. I'm not by the. I got enough bullets for my revolver. I'm gonna check the time and see if we're gonna have to spend the night here or. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to be for the night. Everybody, make yourself comfortable and be on the train.
Oh, 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 oh!
Where are you guys at?
Do not touch my stuff. Eddie, help! Eddie, help!
Where are you guys at? Are you guys in front of the train or the back of the train?
Nobody decided to go to that farm.
Never mind.
Everybody else.
Hey, don't touch my stuff. Don't be touching my stuff. These are my things that I collected.
What thing?
What things you talking about?
My things.
I think that's Evanaya.
Did you grab any of my stuff?
Hey, why are you yelling?
Oh, it's Emihana.
Oh, we gotta go.
I want to sing.
No, we
We
don't.
gotta get back.
Oh, you guys are at the farm?
Sing.
I'm gonna go collect some chupacabras that these things are gonna kill.
Hey, short ears.
Alright, let's look. See any red eyes? Shoot between.
No,
You hear that?
I only have 7.
Oh, I see him. Look at him right there. See him. Who's that jumping over there in front of me? What the heck? Oh, that's Ethan.
Honestly, I don't know which one's which anymore. They all have the same username.
Oh, there's some dead things over here.
They're all zombies.
Huh?
Dang, there's zombies all over the cat. What in the world is this? Dang. Someone needs. You need a. You need life bandages. Where'd you guys just come back from? What the heck? Oh, over there.
My camera. Yeah. Saying it 2 times is not going to make it any cooler. Alright.
I'll use this for some fuel. I should probably just put them in my sack.
Oh, frick.
I need all this for fuel for the train. It's gonna help a lot.
Yeah, give me back his camera.
It's over there.
There's a camera right here. Who owns the camera?
Dad has it.
No, I'm standing by the camera over here. Who owns this camera? Come get it. Camera. All right, sun's up. Everybody on the train. Let's go. We gotta move to the next checkpoint.
With that lantern in it.
Let's go.
Nick,
All right.
put a lantern on the side.
You guys ready? Let me know when everybody's on. So we can go.
Let's go.
Our fuel's all the way at the our fuel's full, so we're good.
I was
Wait, why is
buying
it like
armor.
Just waiting for everybody to hop on. Oh, this. Are we taking the picture? Yes, sir. Cheese.
Look at my armor.
Sure, I'm gonna take a quick picture. Ding, ding. All right, here we go.
Wait. Somebody's messing with this. Wait. Down. Yeah.
Yeah. That's hella
Sun
big
chips.
of you to make.
Sun chips. I'm hungry. Okay, we ready to go?
Put it next to the other one.
What is Uncle? Why do you have to?
Why do none of you have armor? You need to buy armor so you don't keep dying.
I have 59. What do you want me
Okay.
to buy?
We gotta move to the next town. You guys ready?
Okay, yes.
Everybody on
Head
board?
count.
Needs to get on the
One,
train,
Head count. Someone count.
Uncle Charles
1,
is not on
2,
the train.
3, 4,
Wait for Uncle
5,
Charles.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, everyone's on.
Here we go. Bunch of it.
Okay, don't stand by the edge of the train if you know you're gonna fall off. This looks like a big thing. This guy makes me uncomfortable.
Oh, look, there's some Tongans on the side over here. Sorry.
Oh,
There's a town. Stat, go faster. There's a town.
Like, pass by it?
No, like, go to it. So we have more time to loot it.
What time is it, though?
Why am I moving backwards?
What time is
It
it?
just turned the morning, so we should have time.
Dang, that's a lot of zombies. Are you guys gonna take them all? All right, go ahead. Do it. Do your thing. The music's on.
It's 11
Shoot
a.m.
him in the head.
All right. You want me to start collecting these zombies for fuel? Good. Oh, yeah, we're gonna need some. Hold on. All right, we're good on that. Let me collect more zombies. Our fuel is full to the brim, so you know, let's get some more of these bodies over here. Dang, look at all these zombies.
Oh, I have the post guy. I have the post guy.
What's the code?
Wait, don't. I want some.
Mercy, you got it last time.
No, I think you got your own last time.
Okay, Lynette, come to the bank.
I'll read it out to you.
Okay, read it.
52611.
Wait.
Yup. Give me my stuff back.
I got 10 zombies for fuel.
I didn't.
Whoever took from the doctors is greedy.
Yeah, Ethan, good job. Block that right there.
There's a chair. You need to
Get the chairs because some people just need to
Can you guys check the time? What time is it?
I got a bunch of food sticks and food water.
Are we good?
Oh, dang, the train. Looks like the train we used to get.
I know. I weld all those zombies on this for fuel.
Is everyone on the train?
Oh wait, no, not yet. Okay. I have. This is ugly and needs fixed. And it's ugly.
I'm just gonna weld these zombies on there. So
They
we
want
can
to
do
be at
something.
the end so bad.
But what if they want to get off the thing?
Our fuel is way full. Look how full our fuel is, man. We're good on fuel.
There's outlaws up ahead.
Are you guys ready to take on them?
Can somebody just fix this chair? I can't do it.
I could throw my hose on it and make it go everything.
I got a lot of bullets. I'm ready for outlaws.
Okay, somebody sit in it. There, don't move because you fall all the time.
All right. Is everybody ready? Are you guys good? Still ransacking?
No,
Let me know.
zombies glitch out and everything.
I think we're ready for the castle, man. Look how deep we're going. Make a head count. Everybody
How far
here?
are we? 31,000 miles. We're not even close to the castle.
What number is the castle on? No, like how many meters?
All right, it's nighttime.
Are we going?
Yes.
Everybody
I'm
on?
so far up ahead.
Uncle
Please just
Charles
go
is
on the
not.
train. On the train.
Uncle Charles isn't on the train.
Wait for Uncle Charles. Just wait.
Oh my gosh. Okay, if
Go.
you are gonna fall off the train, take a seat in that chair.
Wait, am I going or not?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come pick me up.
Do we have Eddie?
Eli, you guys on?
Where's Eddie?
Eddie,
at?
are you on?
Wait, is those
I'm
guys
on the
on?
train. I'm on the
What?
train. Just go fast. The outlaws are gonna shoot me.
That's what happens when you.
Wait, is
No, I'm
Ethan
at the
them
front.
on?
Yes, that right at the front.
Is Eddie on there?
Gotta make sure everybody's on.
Linnea, are you answering my question?
It's probably just overworked.
So Eddie didn't get on the train.
Where is he?
No, the tablet died.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that means he's gonna join back at the town.
Should we fight right here until the sun comes up? All right, everybody, we're gonna stay here and fight till the sun come up. Let's go. Get your gun out. Get your guns out. I'm not scared. Let's go. What? Who likes Samoan? Come. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. You want to? Oh, you got Brave coming straight up to my face. Huh, this zombie.
Stuck.
Look at that. We're fighting. Look, you're not scared. Ooh. I'm stuck somewhere.
You're on a chair.
These zombies don't see their family members welded on a chair train.
Help! I'm getting killed.
Dang, they just come. Ooh, blasted right in the shape. Boom. Next one, come. Who else?
Eddie says good night.
Oh, yep. Eddie's sleeping.
All right.
Everybody has scooch on us.
Okay, we can keep driving.
Go ahead, drive. Whoever's in the driver's seat, drive. Drive.
Wait, I'm falling off for some reason. There's too many zombies.
Slow down.
Slow down a little bit.
Who's driving?
I don't even know. I need to collect these bodies though.
Get these bodies off. It's morning time. Okay. Why is this one like snowing like this?
I'm gonna empty all these things in the fuel tank. Alright, we're full.
No, we can't put anything in the middle like this camera.
Yeah.
Because it keep on lagging. People try to walk through.
Alright, where are we?
Yeah, right there.
Should we start moving forward or no? Are you ready? Oops, my bullet's running out. Here we go. Hold on
Oh,
tight.
you're sitting on my wire. You can hear me? Is that me in there? Is that Amy down there?
I'm punching it all the way down to the floor. Since we got a lot of fuel.
What the heck? Turn to your side. Why am I still stuck right there?
I don't even know.
I moved like a long time ago.
I got so much fuel we can stay at 65.
Wait, stop the frame real quick.
What?
Okay.
Now go.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm right here.
It's dipping or taking?
Oh, you guys want to fight these cowboys?
Nah.
Okay. Someone died. Hold up. Someone died and fell off the tree. Oh yeah, someone else died. I guess we're fighting.
Oh,
Where at? I like to shoot too. Where at?
alright, goodbye. Who just died? Was it just one?
Yeah, someone needs to save him.
2 people died.
Okay, I'll
There's
see.
an outlaw in front of us. Or no, someone took a horse and is leaving.
Who put this? Why do we have a number?
Damn, we really busted those outlaws quick, huh?
You
add more fuel.
really calling.
There's the castle. The castle's up ahead.
Oh, what? We're already there?
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
I'm on the horse right
Let
now.
me know when you
There's
guys
a
ready.
castle over here.
We're already by the castle at 37
And
meters.
there's outlaws up here, so I'm turning around.
Okay.
Well, can we make? It's always in front of the thing.
You guys want to go to the checkpoint first?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to the base, Zeus.
Yeah,
and
let's
empty
let's
out
hit up the
map.
checkpoint.
Good.
Come pick me up. I don't want to go.
Damn, that's why I've been waiting for this dang castle, man.
I'm right here.
Oh, somebody took the wall away.
It's fine. Oh, Uncle Charles just jumped off.
It's okay, we're right by the. Do you need me to stop?
Oh, right in front of the outlaws?
I'm gonna die. I just died.
Oh,
Okay, run him over. Just run him over.
oh, Uncle just died. I'm taking my revolver. Let's fight them. Where they at?
It's not nice.
I'm on a horse. I'm out of
I don't
here.
like the fact that you guys have.
How'd you get on the horse?
I don't know, I glitched.
You guys.
Someone died over there. Who's that? Oh, they gone.
For my feet.
No, they're not. I'm just stuck underneath the tree. Wait, don't take my
Stop! I'm trying to freaking revive you.
They're taking my stuff
How do you hop on this horse? Oh, dang. I just jumped on this horse.
Infinite, it's a horse.
How do I get off? Freaking. How do I get off this horse?
Jump, Lucy, hit the jump button.
Oh, your horse is right there. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Yeah, we're right by the castle and right by the checkpoint.
Okay, can we go to the
Can I
checkpoint?
have the jar, my brain in a jar, please?
Yeah, you need your holy water?
Yeah.
It's right here.
Just have my brain in a jar.
No clue.
I think your brain is already in the jar.
Can someone hand me my brain in a jar, please?
Sorry. Linnea, you don't need
I
it.
think you play Roblox so much, your brain is in the jar.
It costs $250.
Well, that sucks because now somebody else has it and you just told them.
Yeah, whoever has that, go sell it.
It's probably gone.
Give me it.
Don't give it to her.
Do
I
not
need
give
your
it to
horse.
her. Do not give it to her.
Are we going or no? One checkpoint? Yeah, everybody. Good.
Where's Uncle Charles?
He left. He died.
He left?
Well, not left.
Hey.
He died.
Get
What
off
do you
my
mean
horse.
he left? Wait.
What?
Where did he go?
I don't know.
He died. He probably went up ahead because he took a horse.
Oh.
I want my brain.
Uncle, where'd you go?
He's right here.
Where?
He's at the checkpoint with me and I don't know.
Oh.
They took the horses.
Oh, Reed. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? There goes the metal sheet. Just fell off.
Oh, there goes the horse.
What time is
All
it?
the horses.
Everybody.
All the horses.
It's 9 p.m. Darkness about to hit 30 seconds.
No, the sun's up high in the sky.
I know. It's
Are
going
you
to
sure
go.
it's not 9 a.m.?
I saw p.m.
Oh. I got the wrong thing. Went to the wrong place.
Dang, the floating zombie. Why are they floating like this? I'll just pull them down. Dang, just floating up there. I need them for fuel though.
Oh, wait.
Alright, let me just load up, make sure our fuel is full. Alright, our fuel is full. All right, you guys ready to go to the castle? Let me know.
What the heck? Not even close yet.
Do you need ammo?
Look, there's TNT.
Do you need a gun? What gun? What gun are you gonna do?
I died, you guys.
Lightning.
The lightning struck me.
That's disgusting.
Bro, I don't even know how that lightning
Don't
just
take his
struck me.
stuff before I beat you up.
What the heck? How did the lightning struck me, man? What in the world?
Who just put a horse in here?
Man, that was
I'm on the
crazy. Freaking lightning just hit me. Everything went all over the place.
Where do you buy stuff for
I
yourself?
don't even know where my revolver is.
Oh, your stuff is in here.
Oh, there it is. Yep. Thank you very much.
Watch out, Dad. I need to get out of here.
So all your fuel. Oh, that's economy. I'm about to go hide in here because that lightning just hit me. Straight in the forehead.
I'm hiding in the general store.
You said you buy armor?
You guys buy armor, Lisa?
We don't have. There's no option.
Okay, castle time.
Castle
Not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet. Dad, get on that horse.
Where?
Right there, the white one.
Is that a free horse?
Yeah. I have an idea. Okay.
Dad, I have Molotovs so we can kill the werewolves in groups.
I have dynamite. Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I wanna.
Come wait over here, Dad.
Someone has a dragging the horse over
That's
there.
Linnea. Is it castle time yet? I'm ready to go to the castle.
Is it?
Wanna just ride around the castle with the horses?
Is this horse on
It's general store.
Can the zombies chase after us faster than the
Why
horse?
is this? Why can't I get on this?
I'm just gonna ride over there real quick. Let's go. Oh, we're glitching. Let's go back. We're
No,
glitching.
it's okay. This way. No, the horses
we're
just
glitching.
do that.
No, we're glitching.
I'm not glitching.
No, we're not moving, and it's not daytime for me.
Well, we're just
You're
gonna
glitching.
get some eyes over there at the castle. We'll be
We're
right
just
back.
gonna go see what the castle, how many enemies are in the castle.
Why is it not working?
Alright, we're just looking at the castle right now.
Take a look. Starless in there. You know, just to be safe.
Oh yeah, I'm turning back around and going. The chupacabra over there. The dang chupacabra. Oh, so the vampires got me.
Dad, shoot it.
No,
Shoot it,
man, I'm going
No,
back to
shoot
the
it
castle.
behind me.
I mean,
Shoot it.
no, the vampire's right behind me.
Then shoot it. I'll shoot the vampire. Here.
Oh, I'm going. Man, my life. Another one just spawned in front of me.
Yeah,
Oh
what
my
do you
gosh.
want? What do you
Oh my
need?
gosh.
I don't want to
Go back.
They're
Go
just
back.
spawning.
Hey, come on.
No, they're just spawning.
Just go to the turrets. Lead them all to the turrets.
Hmm? And so you're
You guys, get vampires over here. They're coming.
My phone just glitched out.
Hey, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Come over here this way.
Everything's glitching out.
There you go. Okay. You should be
That was
good, right?
crazy.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
It's time to go back. Dad, if we run to the castle and lead all of them back to the fortress, the turrets will kill it for us.
Do we just keep doing that?
Yeah, with the horses, because the horses are faster than them.
All right, someone grab the white horse and do it. I'm gonna go cash in these vampires.
Why is it taking so long for me to just?
The music is back on again.
He called me. You got to do the horse.
'Cause I'm
He
by the
called me. You got
They
to
said, why
go
are you just
take the
walking in
horse
one
and bring
place?
the vampires
Oh,
over
I'm
here
stuck and I
so the
don't know what
turret
to
can
do.
kill it.
I can't.
Ooh. Reload.
Dang, $15 for the vampires.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, my horse.
Yeah, no, I don't even know what to do.
I don't know what to do either. How do I leave and come back?
Oh,
No,
you just leave it and it'll
respawn.
give you an option.
Just hit the respawn button.
Oh, you just killed my horse.
Yeah.
Will I get my stuff back?
I
Oh, Uncle, watch out, Uncle.
think so.
Will I get all my stuff back if I leave?
Maybe.
Linnea?
But yeah, if Nisa responds,
Eli, why you jump out?
How do I get it back?
I'll watch your stuff. Go. Go.
Yeah, you don't just spawn me. Keep on running.
No, respawn.
Respawn?
Yeah.
Spawn.
Don't click leave. Click respawn.
Then self-revive?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know what's happening.
I keep hearing the music, man. I gotta go check the fuel. Respawn. I'm gonna go check our fuel
Okay, wait.
because we're gonna be here for a minute.
This freaking cat
Fuel
is
is full. Who's this pink guy over here?
That's what Tommy.
Oh,
He
he's
just
not.
killed my horse.
He's not playing.
Why can't I do it?
Like respawn, Nisa?
Yeah,
Oh, all your stuff is on the floor. You want me to pick it up?
I try to click rejoin, it won't let me.
It should. Then yeah, these are all Nisa stuff. You got room in your sack for it?
No, just leave it.
You want me to pick it up?
Yeah.
I'm joining. I'm joining.
There. I see you. All your
I'm
stuff
trying
is
to kill all
over
the
floor.
werewolves.
You want us to go help you?
No, it's okay. I'm bringing them back to the base.
Okay. I'm gonna stay close by so I can shoot them.
No, collect their bodies and sell them.
Okay. Alright. Now, they won't respawn.
Mm-mm.
So if we keep dragging every single monster out of that castle, then it'll be empty.
Yes.
What?
No
Hey,
way.
whoever's on that horse, bring
Someone's
that
dead.
werewolf
That's
back.
Uncle Charles.
Bring it back to the thing.
I'm gonna go revive him.
Okay, I'm gonna keep leading them out of the castle.
Oh hell no! Someone's dead over there. They need help. Can someone go get the our teammate's body over there?
Yeah, I'm going.
Eli.
I'm gonna save you, Uncle Charles.
Don't give me Eli. Yeah, Eli, he freaking ran right by me and brought all of them to me. So like, yeah,
Are
what?
they coming? Here, I want to
I'm
practice my
bringing them
aim.
back to the fortress.
Well, we got enough bullets for 'em.
Oh, nope, get back to the fortress.
I'm trying to.
I'm taking it with mine now.
It's dark now. We're in danger ground now.
Everyone come back.
We gotta get back. Oh heck no. We gotta wait till daylight. Did someone heal whoever was dead over there?
Yeah, Ethan got me.
Oh, okay. Hell no. You can go on my sack.
It's so much harder.
Because it almost killed me.
Okay, I'm gonna go and cash out these monsters. Anybody need money? Hey, who needs money?
Yeah.
If you need money, then let me know. I can give you some monsters. Oh, shit.
I can't pick up the stuff fast, man.
Charles, you need money?
No. I'm good. I just need to be able to pick up this stuff faster, man.
But people thought to be loved.
Alright. Now, I'm about to get me a bigger gun. Damn, we can stay in this area forever and still make a lot of money.
No. The turrets have a limited amount of ammo.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You just have to add more.
Just add more ammo. Yeah. Let me go buy more ammo for the turrets.
Don't.
Why?
You don't need it right now.
Look, this one only has 18 ammo left, or
Oh my gosh,
33.
someone put more ammo in it.
That one has 33. So when these ammos run out, they're gonna kill us.
Can you lock yourself in the house?
No, I'm gonna go get more ammo for it. Dang, that's crazy.
You can also always.
Who is that out there?
Ethan, did you pick up the shotgun?
This one has 22 left. There's a wall coming upstairs.
This one has 0, and this one has 11.
No, I don't have nothing.
All right, I bought some ammo for both of those up there.
Finally.
Yeah, we still haven't got to the castle yet. There's a lot of gold in there.
I have $90.
This one has 11 ammo left. Okay, yeah.
I think
Why don't we just... She's dead.
He's on my horse.
How do I
Who's doing that?
Oh, who's that? Shoot this. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Oh my gosh.
you turn it down. Let me turn it down.
How do I add the ammo to that thing?
Just put it next to it.
For real?
Yeah.
And it's gonna work? And it'll work if it's just right next to it?
I can, but it's gonna take all my money. Why? It's gonna take all my money. What do I need that for?
Hey, there's no more monsters in the thing, by the way. My phone's gonna... Put it on the charger. There's a charger right now. No, my phone's on screen time.
Can we go to the castle now?
Yeah.
Alright guys, all the monsters are gone.
What does it do?
It electrocutes them with lightning bolts. The holy water does it in a pile, and then the crucifix does it in like one area.
Alright, heading over to the castle.
Nobody take... Just take one of
Alright, my phone's on screen now.
Yeah, I'm not sure. You guys could have
It
everything.
took us 4 hours just to get to the castle. In real life.
Because you keep peeing and doodling on the floor all the time. That's why.
What?
What does that have to do with us being...
There's a bunch of bonds, which are very valuable. So go get it. I left a bunch of stuff upstairs for everyone.
Did you leave it because your sack is full?
No, I only have 5 things in my sack right now.
How much money do you have? Alright, call Uncle Charles to come up and grab all this gold stuff. Gold
Or we
coins.
could just grab it.
That's a lot. That's way too much
Wait,
for
get all the
everybody.
bonds.
Thank
There's a lot dead in here. You could buy new stuff at like...
There's a lot of money over here.
Look in the bookshelf, like on top of it.
You got stuff
Ethan, Elon, go to the castle. Uncle Mike said there's a lot of gold and stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of bonds over here. Go and grab a bunch of bonds for you guys. Here, I'll put it on the floor over here. I'll put all the bonds on the floor so you guys can grab them. Or you know what? I can bring it down to the I'll bring it down to the base actually. Bring it over there for you guys.
Come at me.
Yeah.
I mean,
Alright. Right here. Right here, you guys. Boom, boom. Take it. Right there. More bonds. More bonds. Oh, that's big. Now you guys can have a lot of money. Cash that out. How much are these barrels? $5?
over where, Elon?
So I'll take these barrels.
Huh? Where? Upstairs?
Does these chairs cost money?
No.
These barrels cost money?
No.
The heck? Get out of here.
Oh,
that.
Dad, if you want anything, I'll buy it for you.
Dang, look at these dead horses. These cost money?
No. They're good fuel. Take the bodies on the train.
What the heck are these things?
Did you and
Oh, so Ethan, you guys can grab some Molotovs over here. So we can throw this at bad guys?
Dad, don't store it in your stack. Put it in your inventory.
Oh.
So then you're able to throw
Let me
them.
get this big dookie over here. All right, yeah, let's get some Molotovs. We got it all over here. Oh, that's a turret ammo. Dang, we already cleaned out this castle. That's it, huh? Where else is? What the heck is that?
There's too many zombies on here. We're not gonna be using.
I need a Molotov.
Also, we probably should hurry up.
Ooh,
Get back to the
all those books over here. Are we good? Vampires are gonna pop up out of somewhere.
Let them come in.
You know,
Which way is the base?
I don't know. You gotta
Where
look
is
around.
everyone?
Oh, there it is.
You know the fully water did? It's basically the Molotovs but lightning version.
Uh,
I'm gonna get rid of some of these zombies. It's making us react really bad.
what's that big shadow thing right there? Oh hell!
It's red moon.
Don't put these on the train. Hey, these turrets don't have ammo. Wait,
I put ammo up there. How do you get the ammos on them?
I'm decorating the train, okay?
And anyone know how to like refill those ammo on the turrets up there?
Do not put the
$15 for a vampire. So $15 for a vampire. Dang, I need some vampires. $15. Oh, I know that's a vampire right there. Oh no, that's Eli. I think we're ready, huh? Everyone ready?
hold on, collecting bodies. Don't put them on the train. That
Yeah. I went back to the castle to grab some more stuff to sell and get money.
Oh, it's a vampire. Where? This vampire is worth $15.
Are you guys still up there?
$15 for this vampire. What are you doing?
You-
Leave my phone on. What are you doing?
I was gonna see if I could join on your phone.
No, I'm on the phone with
That could still work.
but I'm streaming. What do you? I don't understand.
My time limit went off, and I'm trying to join back because
How do I add more time to your thing?
I can't. You gotta join. It's fine. I'll just watch.
Here, how do you get off of here?
No, because I'm at the castle. And it's gonna take a long time.
So you're just gonna join on your own account?
Yeah. Do you guys want me to join back?
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, the only reason I need the phone so I can record audio, Uncle's audio. Dang, look at all this money. Whoever's over here is rich. Look at him, dancing in all his money bags. Oh, that's
Uncle.
oh.
Uncle, you need to collect your money.
See, Maya, how do I add the ammo to this turret?
Alright.
Just leave it there.
I'll play it like this.
We're not gonna be here. Take it. Why is it here?
Okay,
Alright, I'm coming.
I'll
Guys,
just take it.
we're not putting any more zombies on the train like this.
Okay,
It's making it lag really bad.
are you guys ready to move forward
No,
now?
no, no, no.
Welcome to the bottom.
Okay, hurry up. Get on the train then. We're waiting for Naya.
Wait, no, I'm not on the train yet. I'm trying to fix this because it looks ugly.
Okay.
I'm covered. Can you still hear Uncle's audio good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, Sully.
Nurse, can I have my holy water back?
Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep everything.
Yo, she got it. She's on there right now.
Okay.
Yep.
Nurse, can I have my stuff back now? I figured it out.
Yeah. How do you get back on?
That's fine.
Dang, we're at 35. Look at this. 35,000 meters.
40 kilometers. 40.
That's just a banknote.
That,
Oh.
Stuck to the back.
that
Wait,
40 kilometers away to Mexico.
If you want to see our miles, it's up at the front here.
Alright, I'm right here, Reese.
31,795.
I'm right here.
Oh, dang. We're about to hit
Why is
40.
this thing stuck right here?
I don't know.
Our fuel's
Right
looking
here.
good.
I take my
Man,
stuff back.
we're doing pretty good right now.
Mhm.
Dang, look how much armor we got on this train.
I bought it with all of our
Got barbed wire.
I'm ready.
Man, ain't nobody got it. Hey, look at this. We got 2 turrets.
I want my
Oh.
electrocutive.
It's over now. Here, you guys want, here. I got some, more turret ammo. I'll put it right here.
That's all I have.
Alright.
Can you weld that? Can you weld this turret ammo?
Thank you.
Well, what's our ammo?
Right here, this turret
Are we
ammo.
ready to go? Okay,
Who's
you
gonna
want
take
to
care of the
fix it?
turrets?
There.
First of all, this is really ugly, so we need to fix it.
Alright, tell me when you guys are ready to go, then I'm gonna hit the gas.
Alright, I'm on.
Yeah, I'm ready, Shelly.
Dang, I think we're gonna pass this game.
Mm-hmm. I got to join
Because
back
we're
on.
fully armored.
Mm-hmm. Can I
We
put...
should have seen our train with Matt and Steven and Jordan and Ricky.
Can I sit right behind you, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Just waiting for everybody to
Look
finish
behind
up.
you. It's in like an actual train.
Okay, now we fixed it.
We should like make it like a pickup truck, you know?
Alright,
those-
ready? Everybody on
This
trim?
here.
Is everybody on?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
We should make this like a pickup truck.
Oh, Eli,
Oh. Wait. Eli.
We should make this like a pickup truck, you know, where it's covered and then everyone just has little holes to shoot
We
out
need
of.
to put chairs in here.
So everyone can sit down, huh?
Yeah.
Get some chairs then.
Wait, he's bringing it.
We gotta
We
have
gotta
the...
bring the chairs and weld them.
Oh, he's adding it over there. I'll add the other one.
Yeah, but you gotta cover the places.
Yeah, weld it on top. There you go.
Ain't no zombies gonna get in here.
Beep, beep.
Or even chupacabras, man. Man, look how armored up we are.
Where's he putting it?
I don't know.
I'll just put it over here.
Hey,
Doesn't matter. The more armor, the better.
There, that one looks like. I don't know.
It's 8 p.m. It's about to turn nighttime. We gotta go.
well, it was almost over, babe, so I just said
Whose gun is this?
Why is he dropping it? Is he leaving?
Tell him to hold on to it.
Someone wanna go.
It's gonna turn nighttime
Yeah,
again.
don't worry, that's the
What is he doing? He's over here dropping stuff.
Because you gotta go to bed.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let's pick it up then. Wait,
Dad,
wait,
Oh,
stop!
my bad. My bad.
wait, he just dropped all this stuff. We're trying to pick it up.
Let me get this.
What if we just drive it in the night? Okay. Somebody.
There's still bandages.
Oh, wait,
Hey.
don't go yet.
Hey.
There's stuff all over here.
Get rid of the heavy breathing, okay? Huh? Be content with the fact that you were able to play all day.
I hope you guys didn't leave yet.
Huh?
No, we're over here.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. You don't need to sigh and get frustrated or be
Let's go.
upset or sad.
Here we go.
All day to play, did you not?
What a... Damn, how many days did we spend at
He had
that?
to leave.
Yeah, because there's school tomorrow.
Oh,
Not everybody is like you, Nansa. No school.
What is happening? It's all glitched.
Can you say this thing in front of me, man?
Oh, that's getting attacked by a vampire.
His head's gone. Check the fuel. Oh, we're good on fuel.
there's one behind me. Myri, come kill it.
I'm protecting Dad.
Oh, Uncle killed it.
Huh? Go have some. Hey, go to bed. Have some real quick and go to bed. Unless you're going to be mad.
So one of our things just fell off. Never mind, it's just glitching.
Huh? You're not trying.
We're almost to the next stop.
The whole time. Go have some cake.
Go back to our same position. Go. Good. My control has to be over here. The phone. We're almost there. Dude, like sit down right here. We're almost to the next stop.
Put this down for my knees.
The end part is really hard, and you guys better have like as much ammo as you can have. Why is it hard?
There's a bunch
We're
of
gonna
people.
get to an old military base, and then we need to stock up on everything, and then the last part we're gonna get ambushed. So we need to
By a bunch of like outside
fight
people.
outlaws and zombies. So we need to stock up on like ammo and stuff.
That's why
Armor. You guys need armor.
What's the kilometers? 46.
Armor throughout the game. Well, we're gonna buy armor. I just don't have it.
Are we stopping anywhere else or no?
No,
you have to
just keep
buy it at
going.
certain general stores. I haven't seen any of those stop by trader stores.
I think they removed it on the update.
Don't stop by this town. Yeah, it's not worth it.
It's sad.
We need to get to that over. Is that the military base? No. We need to get to the military base.
Can you add more fuel while we're driving somebody? Anybody have fuel inside of there?
Go
Right
downstairs
here.
to
Right here.
mommy
It's the
and
military
get some.
base.
So stop here?
Yeah.
There's gonna be one wave that we're gonna have to kill, and then another wave once we're done. And they're gonna be on horses.
Yeah, there's gonna be zombies with guns and horses. In here? Yeah. I'm waiting.
Everyone has to get off.
Wait, the checkpoint's over there.
Let's go to the checkpoint. They're up there on the cannons.
Oh my
No,
god.
no, not again. They're gonna come out from the front door.
They're coming out from the houses.
Oh, crazy. I need to fuel up this.
They're just spawning. Okay.
I don't have no more ammo.
Stock up on this stuff.
Wait, let me get some ammo.
And we need to find a key to get to the cannon.
I have no. Ikanu just took everything. And, no, I don't have a weapon.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta go save somebody over here. Who died? Someone's dead.
Uncle Charles.
I'll go grab him, bring him back.
No, I have bandages. Uncle, I'm right here.
Oh.
There's another wave that's coming. Guys, prepare.
There's a cannon? Yeah.
We use that.
For the final phase.
Dang, look at all this ammo.
Did someone die over here?
Dad, wait, do you have ammo?
Yeah, dude, I got a lot. I'm just collecting
need
fuel
shot-
for the train.
I need shotgun
It's
ammo.
over there on the floor.
Come over here, princess. I got a lot. That's an ammo for my dead brother.
They're right there. On horses.
Dang, got me again. I got shotgun ammo right there.
Shit, bud, you lucky I'm over here. Frick.
I need
I'm
sword.
killing the zombies with the cannon.
Sword. Thank you.
Oh, behind you, Dad.
What?
No, I got it.
I need to go put more fuel in there. Frick, what's hitting me?
No, I'm killing them. It's okay.
Okay, but my
Okay.
life went down.
Well, it's because I'm killing them with the cannon, so you're kind of shooting me too. Sorry.
Dang, you just took my life down. Okay, I gotta go put more fuel in the train. I
What in
gotta
the world?
make
Why
sure
didn't
we're
we get no more
ahead.
guns?
We're way ahead.
Did you guys get all the stuff in here?
No, there's guns in there still.
Go get these guns.
Alright, our fuel's
Dad,
all.
you need a gun?
No, I got a gun. I just
Oh,
need
Dad,
it.
look, it's a bolt action rifle.
Oh, I need that.
Okay,
Can you just collect it and bring it? The train is full. The fuel is all the way full. You know what? I'm gonna move the train a little bit forward so I can use this. The what is that thing called in the back?
I have your gun, Dad.
Hold on. Alright, just
I'm
bring.
gonna go to the checkpoint.
Who's this?
Why did the checkpoint just disappear?
See all my armor? Okay, let's go.
Are we good?
My screen just glitched and the checkpoint.
Where's everybody else?
Dad.
What?
Behind you.
Oh, where are you?
Oh my goodness, I thought the screen glitched.
That's for you.
Oh,
Right, what did your train look like with no screen on?
Oh.
It was like all of this was covered up. We had a roof. We had like turrets everywhere, barbed wire all around the
Wait.
train.
Is everybody on the train?
Bodies hanging from
I'm already
the
at the
entire train.
checkpoint.
We had like
You and Uncle Charles is there?
I am.
We had werewolves
Oh, my
hanging
bad.
from the train.
Like with more of you.
Oh, yep.
Oh, where's Econo? Where's Econo and what's his name? And Linnea?
No,
I'm
we're-
over here.
We're good.
I'm at the base.
We're head.
Is he calling?
No, I don't see him. I don't see
Wait.
him.
Is it Kano here?
Did he leave?
I don't know.
He might have left.
He left.
He went to bed.
Yeah, because they have school tomorrow. I think you guys have different. You guys have late start tomorrow. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right, so
So does my boys.
oh, okay.
On my way.
I have something.
Yeah. No, that's good. All right, hey, you guys is after this. Is it the end? Okay. So what do we do? How do we prepare for this ending? Hmm?
Stock up on ammo and
Yeah.
protection for the train. Get torches for the train because it's gonna be dark.
Okay, I'm gonna stock up on some.
I'm trying to use this hack and fly. I've seen. And it worked. I just need to position it right.
Here,
I give up. I'll
A dynamite torch.
I bought like 5. Here, Dad. Take this.
What's that?
Oh, I dropped this. Take that.
What in the world? Where'd you get a knife?
It's a life steal.
I just need some.
Also, stock up on snake oil. All you guys need to get snake oil.
I have a bunch of bandages for some reason.
No, don't get bandages. Snake oil.
What does snake oil do?
It makes you run fast and heals you immediately.
For real? All right. Where do I get that
You wanna
from?
know something funny? Before they patched this glitch, before you can like get a bunch of snake oil, drink all of it, and you like go super duper fast, but then they patched it. I sound like nothing.
You get at the general store?
That's at the doctor.
Hmm.
Vampires. There, I bought like 4, so everybody come get one. Just pick it up. Not all of it, but
I'll just take one.
just take 2.
What about everybody else?
It's fine. I'll just keep buying it. Vampires are dying everywhere.
They're $15.
I know. I'm collecting all of them.
Who's this over here?
That's me. I bought torches, but we don't have anything else. What else do you need?
Well, there's $15 over here.
Where'd Uncle go?
I'll take my
Or
money.
is it
Thank
just
you.
me, you, Linnea, and Uncle?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Where's Uncle?
He's over here. He's collecting his money right here. $15 right in front of him. And there's $15 by the door over
Do
here.
not bring it anywhere near that torch.
We gotta go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are we towards the end?
Yeah.
Don't bring
We
those
are?
near the torches.
Oh, dang, we are towards it. Shoot,
Wait,
let's know when
where are
we're
we
ready.
gonna, how do we,
Set them off. You gotta put them in the torch and throw them. Or the fireplace, but don't do the fireplace because that takes a long time.
where do I put this?
You want to do it on top of the train?
Yeah.
So when should I take the snake oil? When I'm
I can't-
dying?
It's like stuck. It's like stuck.
Then you take it.
What in the world?
Put this back.
Let me know when you guys are ready to go.
I'm trying to, but it's not like it's not lifting.
Someone do this from the other one.
Yeah,
Okay, but
yeah,
you can.
it's because something's in your way. You gotta move the stuff that's in your way.
Put it down so I can drag it. Put it down. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
I don't got it. Just do it. Oh my gosh, I just jumped off on this today.
You can put it up from outside here too. From the outside.
It's because these bandages are right here.
They should put it up from the outside. I don't know how I did that. Oh, there's a switch up here.
Right there. There you go. Bam.
Oh man, we need more fuel. I wanna make sure we're at full fuel.
Wait, oh yeah, we need to be at 4:00. It's 10 a.m. We have to
All right,
go
done.
Should we just leave now? Let me get these zombies out.
They do the fuel school.
Windows.
We're just gonna need a function. I just accidentally shot. What? That's what Cat did.
Why is there a statue up here? And it just fell. Well, you can't really shoot the cannon if it's in the way.
I'm gonna go fill up the fuel all the way up. Let me know when you guys are ready.
Alrighty.
Alright, fuel is full to the brim. Yeah, you guys ready to go?
Yep.
And it is...
Everybody reload your gun right now.
Check the time real quick. It's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
Reload all of your guns if you need ammo.
Here we go.
This is it.
That's it. No turning
Don't
back.
make any more stops at any of the towns. Just go straight to the end.
Okay. Yeah, my guns are
Oh.
full.
Uncle just fell on the statue.
Everybody, stay protected.
Oh. Ow.
We're getting towards the end. Might have to go for all these headshots.
Look at Bow Bow. That's about it.
My phone's at 10. I need to charge this.
It's right there.
52, what is it? 53 mile out
That's means that one.
kilometers.
Yeah, your phone's gonna be on this record.
Fine.
Go on.
This is like the movies. We start off with a big group of people and then everybody fell off. And then we're just left with just us. Like Walking Dead. Is this it right here? All this stuff?
Just
Oh,
keep going.
past this
We're
town
gonna
too?
get to a checkpoint base, but it's gonna be abandoned.
Oh, what?
It's gonna be taken over by
It's crazy.
turrets and everything else.
How's it feel?
And we're not even halfway done yet.
Okay.
Where's Uncle?
You want to take over driving?
No, stop getting it.
Because I got fuel in my sack.
Yeah. Here, stop the
Just in case. Yeah?
Mhm.
And then, so you drive and then I'll fill up the fuel. Okay, go ahead. Punch it. I'll start filling up the fuel when it gets lower.
Wait till it gets really low. Well, that's flying away.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Crap.
You gotta stop the train. It's all back there. It's just in a pile.
Damn. Oh, let me go pick it up.
Stop the train.
No, don't stop it.
It's going too fast.
What time is it? Yeah, stop it real quick.
It's right there.
Let me fill it
No,
up.
we're here.
We're here already?
We're here.
Stop.
No. We're not stopping. We're here.
Oh, that's not it. That's not it.
We made it to the end?
Is this it?
No.
No, this isn't it. We're never mind. Oh, well, it's the next one.
What the heck? Alright.
I thought it was this one.
Alright, let's...
What does the sign say? Does
We
it
need
say?
to go to the general store.
What did the sign
We need
say
to
out
refuel.
there, Linnea?
I don't.
I thought this was the end.
Like 30 or 20.
Alright,
Oh, there's armor here.
we need more fuel.
20 kilometers.
I'm gonna go buy some
Which
coal.
armor is the best?
This chest plate.
All of you guys need to get armor.
I have $0.
Where's the coal at?
Oh, yes, it has all the armor. You guys need to buy all that.
I have 0.
I only
So
have $9 now.
Okay, I'll buy everyone's armor.
How much do you have?
392.
Yeah, buy everyone's armor, but I need to buy coal.
Okay, what's what?
I
I
have
have
0.
a chest piece.
Dang,
Yeah,
just
we
piece 125.
We need
Okay.
coal, man.
Uncle
it
needs
good?
the armor more. It's
Yeah.
okay.
How much do you have, Dad?
$95. We need coal.
Okay. Everyone, go sell your stuff.
I don't have anything.
Everyone, gather up as much money as you can.
Look, there's a
I have
wolf
a
out
dead
there.
horse and a horse.
Can you don't cash out those wolves? We need the coal, that's why. We need fuel.
Why is there a dynamite, Uncle Quick? You should probably keep that. Okay.
Just give me whatever.
Buy any kind of armor you can buy.
Yeah, whatever money you guys have right
I
now.
don't
Money,
have
how
money.
much do you have?
$0.
Uncle, how much money do you have?
Oh,
my God.
buy him the armor.
Buy it. Who needs it the most?
I need to go get some more money first. Okay, let me sell all these things. Give me that.
What the heck? I found it first.
I'm buying all of you armor. I need to get all the money.
Here, I found the vampire.
Everyone, give me all the vampires. And I'll have, if I get like 500, then I'll have enough to get all of you armor.
Come, look. I put it on the money table.
Yes, yes. Give
I'm
me all
just-
the money.
All I'm trying to do is get the fuel ready for our train.
407, 422. I need more.
Who needs a gun?
I need ammo.
Everyone has guns. It's okay. Okay.
Who's that screaming?
The vampires. I need that. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna get everyone's armor.
I just typed blue. Like 4 times.
The heck, Marisa?
I'm sorry.
That's where
Okay.
I need
Lisa, you have a
fuel.
chest plate?
Yeah.
Dad, come here.
Go.
I can get you a chest plate. And Uncle.
That one is gonna come.
Dad, I need you and Uncle to come to the thing.
You got armor for us?
Yeah, she's buying you guys armor.
Okay.
Look, there's an abandoned doctor downstairs.
Yeah, man, I need to record that now.
Dad, go sell the vampire. Go sell the vampire.
Why? But we need fuel for
Okay,
this.
but you can use the other things for fuel. Don't we have zombies on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they're for.
Well, I already used them up. Oh, I didn't even see those. Okay.
Yeah, here. Give me the money for the vampire so I can buy the armor sets.
There.
Do we need full armor or just whatever?
I'm trying to get you guys as much armor as possible.
I don't have armor yet.
I know I'm buying it.
Okay.
Can I get a shoulder armor?
Just gonna fill this up. My main concern is making sure our fuel is good.
Okay.
There. Who's that?
That's me.
Oh.
Sorry, I kept trying to put my stupid lotion back in. Okay, what kind of armor did I get?
Right now I have a chest plate for Dad, which I'll come give to you, Dad. Dad, that's for you.
Why is it one shoulder armor per person?
Am I wearing it?
Yeah. Where's Uncle?
He's outside of the building collecting vampires.
Okay, well I have his armor.
Sorry, I have
Who's
to.
gonna be where?
I have to use up all these zombies for their fuel because we need it.
Well, now we
Then what?
cannonball.
What in the world?
We have well, but I keep asking.
I need
What in the
$20.
world?
I need $20.
Where's the cannon at?
It's on the roof. I came up here to look and it freaking shot.
Heck no.
On accident.
I'm keeping the ammo
It's
until
2
We
p.m.
have 10 left. So nobody go on the roof. Unless
I got $95. Anybody need it?
I need it.
nobody go on the
How do I
roof.
give it to you?
Where did the
Actually,
ammo
took it.
go?
Dad,
I
go
took it
to
and
the
I'm gonna
thing.
hold it on until we get to the place.
Ah.
We're gonna stop and
We're
we'll
almost
hold it on.
there, okay, and then we can all go to bed.
Dad, you need $5 to come buy a helmet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And we got $5 or some
Why
I can
don't
sell.
you sell one of the things that you have?
What about this
got it.
camera? Can I
But
sell
you
that
can sell
camera?
a gun. You can sell a
Oh,
gun.
thank Uncle.
That revolver?
Okay, I'm gonna buy you the armor, Uncle.
Alright, I'll just go over here. Sell this revolver.
I'm gonna sell the shotgun that I don't need.
How do I?
Okay, Uncle, come here. This is for
Hurry up.
you, Uncle. That's for you.
Alright. Sold my revolver.
Uncle, turn around. The armor on the floor. Okay?
Am I wearing armor? Does it look like it?
Yeah, you have a helmet on.
Which one's better, a rifle or
Okay,
a
Nerissa and
action
Uncle,
rifle?
I'm getting you guys helmets.
Oh, okay.
Which one's better, Mario?
Hey,
Action rifle or
hey.
rifle?
I feel like I'm gonna die first.
Why, you
Uncle,
don't have
grab your
armor?
helmet on the floor. Nerissa, come grab your
Why
helmet.
is my everyone everywhere but me?
What about Nea? Nea needs armor.
Oh, here, Lynn, I'll get you a chest plate. Grab
She
your
already
helmet,
got blood
Nerissa.
on her shirt.
It's on the table. Okay, Linnea, there's your chest plate.
Thank you.
Damn, look at the train is all fully stacked up. Alright, we're gonna have to stay here for another night because it's already dark, getting dark, late. 30 more seconds, it's gonna go dark. So that means we can collect more. We can collect more the bodies
Well,
out
if
there.
we drive to the place at night, then it'll be morning when we get there.
It's up to you guys.
We should go when it turns
Are you able
nighttime.
to drop them or
I look.
no?
Did you guys see that place right here?
What place?
There's a doctor house right here,
Go to the doctor. Let's go to the doctor house.
right outside our.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh no,
Oh my
you
gosh,
keep the
okay,
bullet.
Uncle.
You keep the
He's
bullet.
just like two little legs.
Oh.
Two little legs.
Who came in here and took everything already?
I did. Sorry.
Why would you let me go?
It's okay.
Okay, everyone, get on the train.
It's
It's
testing my
time to
baiting.
go.
Dang, look at fully armored this guy. Look at Uncle Charlie, he's fully armored.
No, he needs shoulder pads.
How
I'm
much are
fully
shoulder
armored.
pads?
We need two people on
Can,
the...
can someone drive? Because I'm the fuel person.
Dad, we need a
Linnea,
driver.
drive.
We need
Someone
two
drives.
people on the turrets. And then we need somebody watching.
Because I'm about to fill up the fuel when we need
Linnea,
it.
drive the train.
I'm already tired from driving the
Yeah,
train.
I'll drive it then. It's fine. I'll just jump off and. Okay, ready to tell me when to go.
Wait, we're waiting for Myri.
I'm on the train.
Where?
I'm right here.
Where's one in?
On the train.
Where?
We're all on the
Oh,
train.
okay, let's go. Let's go then.
Non-stop. You guys ready? Non-stop. We ain't stopping. We're going straight.
Nerissa did buy all of the torches. That way it's bright.
I don't know. I'm closer to you than the rest of them.
Vampire, shoot him.
That's fuel. Pick it up.
Just don't fall.
Glitching. Oh. Oh. Oh, the phone's glitching really bad.
How's the fuel up? We're good on the fuel.
Okay. No, that's a dead
Turn the
body.
volume up. Yeah.
Shoot them. Oh, Oh. I can't shoot.
Our fuel looks good. We're at 64. What does the M stand for?
Kilometers or miles. Don't die.
65. Our fuel's still good. 5 a.m.
You're pushing me, Myrie. You're pushing me.
You're pushing each other. Just stay on one side. Almost
Sun's up.
there.
I'm gonna stop to refuel.
It's okay. I'll have you okay.
But we.
Put these vampires in the fuel tank.
Okay, ready? It's gonna be quick. Fill it up. Fill it up quick. All the way. You want me to do mine? Because mine's full of it.
Drive.
Hold on, no, don't drive. It's gonna be quick.
Oh, I think we're good. Just put it.
Okay, here.
Put it back in the sack. Okay.
All right.
All right, let's go.
This cat, he's just. Dad, you're in the wrong seat.
Oh, who put the chair there?
You did.
No, I
Okay.
did. I did to sit behind him a long time ago. That was 3 hours
You guys
ago.
bullets all loaded up?
When we get.
Wait.
Huh?
Next, no. I just accidentally dropped the thing. Oh,
Stop real quick.
Where am I stopping?
Yeah.
Okay.
The base is right there, so I need to hold on. I need to put the ammo on for the bombs.
wait.
Well, what time is it? We got time to go get whatever you drop.
It's 8 a.m. We're fine.
All right.
Oh, we need to go to that base. Oh yeah, put it back on there. Sorry.
All right, Narissa, you want to take care of the bombs?
The button open?
Yeah, it's on. Narissa, you want?
No, I don't know how to do it, so you can do it. Drive the train.
Ready?
Or have Myrie do it. Myrie,
I
can
will-
you take care of the bombs? I don't know how to.
Cannons. Okay, I try my best.
So
Oh,
this the
that's
last
another.
stop?
Yeah, this is our last stop. I could tell because of American flags.
Just go straight through it.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure.
And then what?
Or actually, let's check the store and see what they
Dang,
have.
yeah. I mean,
Is it
freaking-
abandoned or no? No, the next one is.
come on.
You can't be. You have to be sure.
Actually, if there's coal in there, buy a bunch of coal. There's a Molotov, there's armor, and a torch. Oh, never mind. Okay, back on the train, everyone.
So we're good?
Yep. You keep saying next one, let's never. No, I promise it's the next one.
Next one up.
Well, make sure you guys have extra fuel because
Oh, there goes the dynamite. Don't set that off.
Hey, it fell off. It fell off. Oh, they pushed me off.
I didn't mean to.
Hurry up before I light this dynamite.
We need to stay on one side of the train. I'm going up to the
You
bomb.
see this? I have full control. Okay, I'm ready.
hold on.
Oh, that's me. That's me standing next to me.
What did you say?
Oh, you're facing yourself. Oh, that's he was trying to figure out who's standing next to him, even though that was himself.
We're not stopping here. Are we?
No.
Yeah, we're definitely not stopping here.
I'll tell you guys if it's the base is the actual one because they don't have American flags.
It doesn't have?
No, it doesn't have American flags. It has like other flags or like ripped up ones.
So I just got to.
100th time.
Here, so you have one foot of that. Well, what am I gonna do with this TNT?
It's supposed to light on fire and throw it somewhere. I don't know.
Just take your hands off it before you end up lighting on accident.
I can't drop it. Dad, you need to be looking forward to see where we're going.
I'm seeing where you were going right now. Dad can look backwards. Left is there's some
There's a house coming up
outlaws.
over here.
There's on the left there's outlaws. On the right there's a house. Keep going.
It's 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Oh, yep. 9 o'clock is sundown. Okay. Tell me when to stop because tell
not
me
when the
it's
outlaws
safe.
are here.
Because we need to refuel. I got nothing in my fat bag to refuel. Mari, who has like fuel?
Okay, you know what? Just keep going. We're gonna push it out till the end.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we have horses, right?
Yeah, can we take those horses and throw them in there?
Oh,
Like,
those are
we
live
should do it while
horses.
sun's still up. We should refuel while sun's still up.
Stop, 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 stop.
Here.
Oh, we're here already. Never mind. We'll make it.
Okay, guys. So I accidentally
Well, you're
lit
waiting
it.
for.
Get on the.
There's the bridge.
I
Oh,
jumped,
get your guns. Get your guns.
Wait, I jumped on
Mason
accident.
jumped off. Stop the
Frick, we
train.
can't. We're already here.
I'm gonna die.
Uncle.
Get on the turret.
Uncle, no.
Should I get on the turret?
I can't see. I'm throwing. I'm just gonna throw.
Hit that guy. One of them came on here. One of them came on. Frickin', I'm dead.
I'm dead. There's some.
I'm dead.
Oh, we're just getting demolished. Demolished. Lisa's the only survivor.
There's a heal.
There, he's coming
There's
right behind you.
there.
Coming right behind you. Run, Maya, run for your life until you can get ammoed up again.
I don't have anything.
Save yourself.
He took our train. I can't take our train.
Try to survive. You gotta think strategy.
I can just heal all of you.
Okay, heal all of us.
What's even happening?
Boom, back,
Heal you guys,
back,
but I'm
back, back.
healing all of you.
Okay, I need
Move
some
this
gun.
horse out the way. I need my gun.
Okay, now I'm
Run,
dead again.
go. I can't see. I can't find my stuff. I'm hiding in the house.
Oh my gosh.
Snake oil.
Pick up
Freaking.
as much ammo as you can. That's everywhere.
Oh, I just died.
We need Maya back up.
Where's some? Where's the heal me so I can heal? Oh, I just clicked through the map. Never mind. I'm dead. Okay. Time.
Oh man, my body's looking crazy. Marissa's still alive.
No, we can make
Where
it.
are they? Where are they?
They're up in the corners. Oh shoot.
Where's the snake oil?
Mason, heal me.
The bridge is down.
Heal me, Mason.
If I go through, does it end for all of us?
I don't know.
Should I try?
Just try.
Heal me.
Wait.
There's some in the train.
It's not even down. I just died. Someone gotta lower the bridge.
I'm gonna lower it.
You
We don't
gotta,
have no fuel though.
Dad, you need to lock yourself in the house.
I don't have anything.
What do you mean we don't have fuel?
I'm dead on the
I need a
bridge.
bandage so I can heal Uncle.
It's okay. I'll get Uncle.
I got a sawed-off shotgun.
That's mine. Oh, I'm dying. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I think I just stayed.
I'm here.
Why am I sitting? Where's the snake oil?
Oh no.
I'm dragging myself around with the horse.
Died then.
Hold on, I can save you. I'm just trying to like. Can I go?
Uncle, help me.
I'm right behind you.
It's sun up. There's no more
Where are you?
zombies. Just kill the people. Uncle, help me. Don't kill the horse. Help
That
me.
was so bad.
Help me.
Damn, I can't believe we still survived it.
Oh, I was on the ground. I was messing with the horse.
Snake oil. Why am I-
Where are they?
That's snake
Where are
oil.
they?
They're up in the corners. They're controlling whatever's up there.
Everybody alive? Everybody get
Yeah.
loaded up. Get
Where
loaded
did our
up.
holy water go? I'm just gonna grab that.
I killed one on the turret.
There's a
Who needs to be healed?
where's
Who's
the
like
holy
dying
water?
right now?
Get some snake oil on you guys.
You didn't. Is no one gonna lower the bridge?
I'm gonna
I
go.
killed all of them.
I really am. It's lowering. 4 minutes and then we're finished.
We have to wait.
4 minutes and we're
Well, I
finished.
killed all of them.
Oh,
What's
did
that?
it.
Did
You
we pass it?
We did it.
We did?
Yep.
Yes,
How in the
thanks
world
to
did we-
me, Narisa.
Yay!
Celebration time! Throw Molotovs!
It's not celebration until we pass that bridge, right?
Hey, collect all the stuff that's in here.
I'm collecting vampires for the fuel, so we have enough fuel
Oh,
to
there's
make
bonds in here.
There's bonds and stuff. Look at all of our ammo all over the place. Bonds?
Yeah, there's bonds in the houses.
That's the line.
There's one right here.
One right there in front of your head. Look, got it. Too late for you. I don't see it. That was traumatizing.
I don't wanna
That's
do
crazy.
that
I thought
one.
we was done.
Oh, nope, there's one. That's wave number 2.
I'm locking myself in the house. Oh, Uncle dead. Uncle down.
Can someone save him real quick? I'm trying to add this fuel so we can get out of here.
No, you can't ride the train no more, Dad. This is the end.
Are you serious?
Yes, you gotta walk off the
Dang.
bridge.
Where? Who else needs to get shot up? Where? Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, they're all over here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Shoot, let me get on the torrent. Yeah, start shooting with the torrent.
I can't if you're in the way.
Take 3 minutes.
Go, 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 go. I'm coming.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Go, go, go. We're shooting.
I'm not sticking it. Well, I'm not. No, I dropped it.
Why
I'm
am I
gonna die.
shooting? Why am I not shooting? I thought we had this.
Oh, I'm dying. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna die.
Where you guys at?
Ah, I died.
It's because we didn't lower the bridge.
Oh, yes.
Dad. Right
Where you
there.
at? Hold on.
Frick! Heal me. Come on. Try to kill the rest of me. Heal me, Dad.
Hold on. Damn, he got me. Yeah, stay alive. Stay alive.
I'm reloading.
I think this is a good time to
Dad,
survive.
help.
I can't. Am I the only one alive? I can't do this. I'm gonna die.
What the frick, yo? What the? Why did ransacking me like this? I can't move. Someone help.
I'm gonna die.
I got like all over me.
That's the last thing I could do.
Oh, I gotta get out of here. Oh my gosh.
I wasted those Molotovs, bro. 40 seconds. Come on, we can do it. We can try.
I died.
Oh, heck no.
Ah. I did not just waste 45 Robux just to get killed by. Oh my gosh, Dad. Help.
I'm trying to.
There's a bandage right in front of you.
Let's
Where?
go.
Yes, right there. Right there.
How come I can't jump and move? Oh,
Revive me. Revive me.
I don't have a bandage.
Dad. Revive me.
okay, hold on.
Where's the
hold on.
bandages?
Revive
Don't
me.
move. Don't move. Don't move.
Yeah, revive Mary. Don't revive me.
Go.
Okay. I'll revive Uncle. Where's
I need my guns. Dang, I done spent like so much on this.
Where's
It's
Uncle?
it's down. We escaped.
We escaped. Oh!
We did it.
We just needed everyone
Hey, we
else.
did it.
Drag his dead body across the bridge.
He did.
He did. I knew it.
He did it. He dragged his body across the bridge. That's how we won.
Yep. Okay. Okay, Uncle. We did it. Okay,
Dang,
bedtime.
That was crazy.
Thank you, Uncle. He saved us. If that was
80,000. Dang, we did it.
we did it.
No way.
That's
And
crazy.
we-
after sweating, we started out with
I got
Yay.
5 levels. I got 5.
Celebrate. Hey, let's take a victory picture. Everybody, victory picture.
Oh my gosh, I have 42 bonds.
Everybody, face this way. I'm gonna do a victory picture.
What does the 5 mean?
Right here. Boom.
That means the level you
victory
completed.
picture. There we go.
This is no, the before and after
That's
picture is
it.
crazy.
God.
Dang,
Yeah,
that's
okay,
crazy.
Marissa's tired and that's worth it.
All right, you guys. That was a good game.
Love you guys, man.
I love yous.
Bye.
And the streaming is done. Done streaming. 2 hours, 35 minutes.